Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing this morning? Yeah. What do I got going here? Multiple things happening. I got like a bunch of things playing here, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So anyways, yeah. Little bit of a hiccup this morning. Good morning, Wolfpack. Yeah, just as I was brewing my coffee, I thought I blew a breaker, and I'm like, what the hell? So I went and checked it out, and almost broke my leg in the laundry room. Don't you hate it when you kick something really hard? Oh man, I was hopping around and I almost fell over the laundry basket in there. Oh man, I almost finished myself off. So anyways, the power shut off. It kicked on right away, but I had to wait for everything to boot up and stuff. So anyways, it is what it is. I'm just grateful that I'm here with you guys, man. I always look forward to this, and it worked out. It worked out. Thank you for guys for waiting around, ladies and gentlemen. So let's jump in here. I'm not going to be posting anything on any of the other stuff, like my Facebook and stuff. I'll do it maybe as I go along through the day, because I'm a little bit behind schedule. As you can see, the camera's out of sync. Everything's out at the sync. Can you guys hear me? Everything good on that end? Before I get jumping in here and getting crazy. And what the fuck have you done, Sanjay? I got all these warning messages coming up on here that your moderator's lost his mind. Everything's out at the sync. Whoops. I had a little bit of an echo there. That was strictly me. I see you found the timeout button, eh? Yeah, he's timed out for a week, man. I don't know how to get him off. How to get that back, dude. Actually, give me a second here. I got to bring Warren back. Jesus, you're like kids. I've never timed anybody. I've timed people out, but I've never brought them back. Usually, when I time somebody out, they're done. They're gone. Okay. Put user on a timeout. Hide user from channel. Remove user permanently. He is a 300 second timeout. He'll be back on in a minute. Well, what's 300 seconds? I'll let you figure that out. I got to get the channel going here, guys. So, anyways, accidentally. Yeah, I know there was a little bit of echo there. That was, yeah. I knew you'd come back on 300 seconds, so it would have had to been up pretty fast. So, anyways, as the echoing gone, I was banned. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to go through everything here, my friends. I'm kind of speeding along here. Yeah, 300 seconds. I'm going to smack you in the head with that wrench that's beside you, Sanjay. In a loving way, of course. Okay. My thing. Okay, good morning, Gloria. I can't get to the top of the chat because it's erased some of it since I logged on. So if I miss anybody, it is what it is. It's all good. You're here, and I meant to say hi, but I can't because I don't. So I'm just going to start off where the stream started. Gloria Warren, Steve G. Good morning. New to the channel, my friend. I think there's about 5 Steves on here, but not Steve G. Jay, good morning. Sanjay, good morning. Kim, good morning. Lloyd, good morning. He's just throwing those wrenches around, eh? Fucking guy, man. Oh, fuck. It didn't take you long. New variant. Yeah, the new variant's you, dude, on the channel. Liam the Lion. Richard. Cam and skipping class today. Yeah. I was just ready to log on through my 5G network to actually I was gonna put a hotspot in the studio here and just run the laptop off of it, right? Don't worry, the shit was going through my head, but what screwed me up is the power kicked on for about 3 minutes and then it kicked off again, so I had everything just going and then fuck, and I don't like power surging my computer and shit. But anyways, I'll talk about that later on. I'll get started. Okay, good morning, Cameron, too. I see you on here. So it is what it is. That's why we have moderators, right? Because as you can see, he can take over the channel, him and Christopher. Good morning, Christopher. Thanks, guys. Thanks for sending me your stuff yesterday, the 2 moderators. Awesome. We got wrestling fans on here, I see. If I missed anybody, I'm sorry, my friends. I know there was a whack of you in the class this morning, in the studio here. They'll get a notification. Holy shit, you deleted all of his messages too. Holy crap, man. Why are you a weird color now, Sanjay? Why are you a blue? Oh, you both are. Oh, both moderators are blue. I'm going to pull up fluorescent pink. Your name's going to be lit up in pink. Oh, it's just on that computer. Oh, it's because that's my gaming computer. The gamma's turned down on it. The blue light. Okay. Good morning, T. Citizen T. Bread and water. Holy crow, you deleted everything. You tortured Warren, man. I'm surprised he's even talking to you. You took every comment out and shut it down. And you also sent it to YouTube. Fucking flagged them too, Sanjay. You got to watch what you're doing there, bro. You put them under review by YouTube. I'm going to have to go and just deal with that right now. That'll shut him up. You think? That's awesome. Okay, Tess, good morning, brother. Good morning. Alina, good morning. Boston Strong 79 is in the house. Jason, how's it going, brother? Jason C. Wow, wow, I'm blown away, guys. There's a bunch of you here that was hanging out. That's awesome. I like pink. Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink. No, I'm just bugging you guys. We could change the name. We could put we could highlight your guys' name if you want. Neon it or something. So, but it is what it is. The wrench. I skip all the time. Thanks, Tess. Still love you, brother. So yeah. Anyways, that's what the wrench means. If you guys didn't know that, I never knew that until yesterday when I got an email package. After I moderated them, I got a whole fucking thing. I had to sign a bunch of documents for legal purposes. Which I was very worried about with Sanjay. Just because they can cause you problems on your channel. So I had to sign some, there's a lot of legal shit you have to sign with these fucking YouTube shit, man. Saying you won't talk, yeah, I won't even get into it. Oh, man, I'm gonna spit my coffee all over the... Kermit the Frog, how are you doing? I did not see that until I looked up and I seen Kermit the Frog with this frog staring at me with a big grin on his face. I thought it was Sanjay screwing around again. And then I seen it's actually, welcome to the channel. You're our first Kermit the Frog. Welcome, my friend. Kermit the Frog, boy, girl? Are you a girl frog or a guy frog? Just so I know. Because I'm really bad for that. Anyway, yeah, that's awesome. Kick back, make yourself at home. Really cool group. I'm not saying that because I'm the host here, but really easy going. We haven't even got into stocks yet. So, help, calm me down. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jimmy Superfly. Jimmy Superfly is one of my relatives, actually. Get him, Warren, for cutting you from the chat and add you to the metro. Kermit the Frog AMC. That's cool, man. I like your handle. Okay. Okay, so guys, I did that. Hey girl, yeah, help me, can't calm me down. So what the fuck AMC? So let's bring this stock screener up here. I haven't even looked at it this morning. I wanted it to be a surprise. Either way, I'll be surprised. That's the way I look at it. You can't really... I was going to say... Oh, fuck. Ha! Sorry, I'm laughing. I'm not laughing at that. I was just going to say, it can't be any worse than yesterday. But... you guys already... you guys prepared you for this yesterday, okay? Not that it helps, right? But yeah, I got you guys ready for this yesterday. Stop snarling. Oh my god, we're gonna have to have a meeting tonight, guys. We're gonna do a fucking party up on the channel. You guys have put such a big smile on my face with this humor. Cam, you need a UPC battery backup. I need a lot of things, but yes, that's a good one. That's a good one. I do have my my generator's usually here, but it is here, but the attachment is in the trailer because I have to take the trailer in for warranty work. And but yeah, I have a propane generator that can power this whole complex. You gotta love American machinery. It's awesome. But yeah, it runs. I just undo my barbecue, plug it right in there. It runs on gas, propane, and alcohol. But I've never put gas in it because then it stinks up your RV, right? Okay, thanks, Christopher. Okay. So, also, yeah, that's right. Oh. So, anyways, I'm going to get into some stocks here because I usually fucking around all the time. I'm usually doing that anyways on the channel, so it is what it is, but I'm fast tracking this morning. I'm actually putting myself under pressure here. Ooh, watch what, hey, guys, Sanjay, watch what you put on there, bro. That can get, that's not good. You gave me shit the other day for talking about something. It's all good. I'm just giving you a nudge. Yeah, I really don't give a shit, right? But it is what it is. That's probably one of the worst words you can say on here, like what I did the last week. Okay, so we already discussed this on the channel on yesterday and a couple days ago, and last week. It's a week ahead of schedule from what I talked about. We're gonna have this pull down. This is before there was some creators out there putting out videos to stop buying AMC. I already knew this was gonna happen before, but now it's like power of fucking 20 now added to it. I did not know it was gonna go down this fast. Okay, I thought it was just gonna be like trickling down, but just so you are clear, the bottom end is 22 to 23. It is highly unlikely it's going to go any lower than that because I built this. How can I put it? Fuck. I've been using this system. Okay, that sounds better. I'm using this system that I came up with because I've been watching this stock forever, and you just get to know how it moves. It rides the options, okay? It rides your in and out of money, okay? So if you go look at the options charts in the Monday, right, for your options expiring on the Friday, not your monthly options, okay? I'm strictly talking weekly options, okay? If you do it the other way, it doesn't make sense then. So yeah, what I was going to say is I've already explained how I do it lots. I'll do it. I'm not going to do it today because I hate explaining things 3-4 times. I don't mind. Monday morning, I'll explain it. I always explain it Monday morning what I'm doing to how to get that. Yeah, like we're probably about a 98% success rate on that. And like I said, guys, well, the week's over anyways because you can't do options. But at the Monday, don't go and put options out on my DD, okay? Because yeah, it's entertainment here, guys, and you can lose your shit, okay? So anyways, yeah, so 22 to 23 is the number as low as it will do, and if it hits that, it's gonna crack off of it. It's gonna go ding and go back up, okay? So it might not even go down there. I'm just saying that is the area, okay? And the highest was, the highest was 38. Ow. Okay. So, anyways, enough of that stuff. If you stick around Monday morning, we'll go all over through it again. The SSR is in effect, isn't it? Today? Oh no, it didn't go down enough yesterday. It will be in effect Monday morning then, if it stays like this. The rule. Is it? No, it'd have to be 10% down. So, 28. Like I said, oh fuck, the whole market's red. Oh, it usually is on a Friday, right? It usually is on a Friday. And Friday's not a good day to buy stocks anyways. Especially, well, and depends what you're doing. If you're buying dividends, fuck yeah, it's a good day. Every day is a good day to buy dividend stocks because usually when you buy dividend stocks, you don't sell them. You're usually keeping them pretty much the rest of your life if you know how to make money on them, right? So, and if you don't know how to do that, we will show. Stick around the channel and you'll learn how to make fucking lots of money. Besides this squeeze. The squeeze is a catalyst to give you the fuel to keep on making money because you still got the rest of your life. You can, on an oxygen tank at 90 years old, 100 years old, you can still make money on the stock market. If you can't go to work, you can still make money on the stock market. Okay, how will they? Okay. So, hey girl, I wish you were. I know you stop in and out. You're really busy, but yeah. Okay, how will we know if they're covering? I'm not laughing at you. You know what Sanjay's doing right now? Is got out of his chair and he started running around the table. He loves this explanation. Okay, so I'll explain it, which I don't mind doing. I'm just trying to. I'm in a really good mood today, even though this doesn't. It sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, it isn't. It is what it is, because in the new year, this stock is not gonna squeeze before the new year. Okay, it's impossible. A stock takes a year to squeeze if everything goes good. Okay, it's a planned event, right? And I'll show you some stuff why. I don't think I've heard of one stock squeezing in less than a year. Okay, so anyways, we'll get into it. How do we know that they cover? Okay, the statistics and stuff show. We're going to use a template, which is already awesome template, which is the Volkswagen Squeeze 2008, October 2008, from the 24th to the 22nd to the 28th. It was a week long episode, a week and a bit, depends on how, or it could even be 3 weeks, because it stayed at that. It's going to stay at a realm at the end. AMC will probably stay in around the $30 range for a while, okay? Because people are going to be holding this stock. Not all of us. This channel probably won't be, right? But there's people going to be holding for these. The last video I made, $2 million a share, okay? Well, they're going to be waiting for the rest of their lives because it's not even going close to that. Good morning, Sheriff. How you doing? How you doing, CD? We got a very important person on the channel. Sorry to put the light on you there, CD. I had to do it. You're flying incognito. But yeah, that's the sheriff to one of your guys' fucking counties down there. In the States, guys. So, Mr. Cartel, the Mexican boss. I'm just fucking around. You guys should know my humor by now. Okay, so the deadline is today. Okay, so how will they know if they cover? Okay, so you know, here's what will happen. Okay, and I'm very, very educated in this area. Okay, on this stuff. Okay, so it isn't going to be a battle between us and them. Okay, it has been. We're fuck all. Okay, I know we own the float. Yeah, that's good for us. That's nice. Let's pat ourselves on the back, right? But we aren't entities that own huge amounts of shares as a single person. Okay, we don't have the privilege of trading on after hours and selling at stuff at discount and picking prices to buy and sell stocks. Okay, we don't have the privilege to find out and pick through them which is synthetics and which isn't. We don't have that privilege. Okay, so institutions, incorporated companies, LTE, limited companies, they can. So after hours, one morning, I'm probably going to see it before a lot of you guys. That, and you might see it too, is you're just going to see a pattern kick up. Okay. It's going to start very quick. It's going to start slow and then it'll go. Okay. You're going to see, I'm going to tell you what to look for. And this is financial advice. It's not entertainment, okay? Because I'm not telling you guys any prices or anything. I'm showing you something that is factual information, okay? Or teaching you something that's factual information. Okay, hypothetically say, okay, we're going to pull back. Look at the screen behind me. This is AMC on here, ticker symbol AMC. I'm using this stock screener here. So here's what we're going to have. We're going to pull this back as far as it can go. Okay, that's as far as it can go for right now. Okay, see the time frame? Most squeezes start. You know how the market, what time does it actually, because I'm on Pacific. What does it open about, what, 2:30 in the morning, I think? Eastern time? Or 2:30 my time because I'm 3 hours difference? I think it does. And that's pre-market. Okay, and then it kicks in. If you guys are new, you'll understand that obviously, right? So what you might want to do is have your stock screener set for 24-hour day shift. Okay, it knows when because the market does shut down for a bit at night, right? And then it'll kick up. So when it does, you have your screeners set for that. Okay, the extended hours. That's what that's called, usually the setting. Because you're going to see a tailwind of this, okay? You're going to see hints. So probably about, I'm going to go for Pacific time, and then you guys can convert it because I'm trying to do this fast because you know how I get into detail and it takes me a long time to explain stuff. So anyways, it would probably, my time, it would be about 3:30 in the morning, okay? And market opens my time 6:30. So take it from there. You guys can judge the time frame. Okay, so at that time, you might even see it before the market closes, but highly unlikely you'll see it the day before, okay? Because they don't want to give, it's kind of secretive. They're trying to, they are against us, but they're trying to fuck the banks around. They're trying to get the first go on it. Whoever gets the first jump on it gets to ride that fucking double-edged sword, okay? And it's going to go, okay? And it will fall just as fast. So at about 4 in the morning, or like a couple hours before pre-market, I'll just say it like that so you guys can understand. You're going to see these kicks, long, juicy candlesticks with no wicks, okay? You won't see, because a wick is the testing. It's a pullback, okay? If you see the body of a candlestick, I'm pulling up just to see. Oh, fuck, we won't see any in here. Yeah, it's because these things are bounced too much here. Yeah. Okay, so if you see a nice candlestick without the wick on it, you might even see the little nubbin stick onto the top there, because it's going to be very, very solid. The algorithm, because it's going to be power behind it. Okay, you're going to see long ones, and it's just going to kick up. It'll be going up. You have to remember there's no breakers after hours, so that's one of the catalysts that will help it kick. Okay, there's nothing to stop that algorithm. And when that algorithm market opens, it hits a reset, logs the time, but it doesn't touch the vibration of the algorithm of the stock market. Okay, it'll keep on going. So if it's on a vibration and it's going up and it's snowballing, right? You guys have seen this. It'll probably kick a breaker within 10, 15 seconds. Depends on how fucking bad it's going. Usually it's set. They're really sensitive when market opens to do that, because to stop it, to make it even, or to make it fair, so they say, for people open the market. So you're going to see this pre-market. You're not going to see it halfway through the day and all of a sudden, bam, the fucking hedgies start covering. It won't happen like that. They won't do that. Okay. It doesn't make sense. It won't happen. 100% I know that won't happen. You're going to see signs of it pre-market. So that's what I said. One morning, we're going to come on here, and you're going to see me when I log on, and I'm going to be jumping around on the camera and fucking around and joking around, and you're going to know. Okay? That doesn't necessarily mean that there's a little bit of a procedure before, like the day before. There's a couple different ways it can go. That is just the battle between banks, hedge funds, and the rich, okay? The 1%ers, okay? That's who plays the market at. If it goes the other way, where just before market closes, we get the price up. The price is going to have to get up into the 85, and they will, smaller hedge funds will start covering their positions, okay? The smaller ones. The people that have those original stocks are going to be making the phone calls. Return my fucking shares. I want my fucking shares back, okay? And that's when they're going to go, oh shit. So first they'll be like, oh, chill out, whatever, you've seen this go. But it depends how many times they're hedged, right? So that is where it starts. When it gets over the $100 range, that's going to be very concerning. And it depends on how fast it goes up too, right? But yeah, and then they have to cover. But before they cover, they have to get real shares. Okay, they can't use synthetics. So that's why it makes it worth so much money, right? So that's what we're gonna see. We're gonna see two different scenarios. We're gonna see it just closing in the closing time. We're gonna see FOMO. Okay, you're gonna see a little bit of FOMO there, a big blast of volume from retailer. Okay. And what that'll do is it's like igniting a stick of dynamite, and then we just kick back and watch after hours and see what happens. They'll start cutting each other's throats and shit. It'll get bloody. It'll be a fucking bloodbath in there. Okay. Now you're talking about these big fucking companies that run sectors of cities and stuff, like the rich of the rich, are standing up. You know, my family, you know, it's a battle. It's a battle. It's really hardcore. And it is what it is, right? It's a cutthroat game in after hours, big time. So then it's going to open the market open. Yeah. So we're going to see FOMO. Like, I'm just going to use GME as a template. Okay. I just want everybody to know that GME, that was just FOMO, okay? They didn't cover their positions, the main, maybe some, there's always people covering positions. I just want you guys to know that there's smaller hedge funds that it doesn't do anything. It wouldn't even recognize. That's like people selling some shares today because they had a fucking motor blew up in their truck or something and they have to get, it didn't collapse the market, right? It was just a couple. That's what I'm trying to say. It happens all day long. You just don't know about it, right? People buying and selling. It is what it is, okay? It's life. So that's what I'm saying about that. And yeah, so I just wanted you to just be crystal clear on that. Forget about the buy button and all that shit taken off with douchebag there, fucking around with GME. The fuck says Robin Hood there. I'm not talking about any of that stuff. I'm talking about the factual information that we were given. Yes, probably within two more hours or till a full cycle, that next opening day, yes, they would have started covering. There was a panic across Wall Street. Okay. But that was not a short squeeze yet. Okay, guys? And I'll jump into some. Because they can't cover at this price is because there is no real shares for sale. That's what the whole short squeeze is there, my friends. So, like right now, even like I know I totally understand what you're actually smart the way you're thinking. You're thinking that fuck at this price, if it goes down any lower, fuck, they would just sell it and they wouldn't have to pay all this money and stuff like that. It doesn't work like that. We're strongholding them. Okay, it's like a strategic game of fucking battleship here. So the thing is our shares have been picked through. Okay, most of us, and probably all of us, own synthetics. Okay, including myself. Okay, we can't see what's real and what's not. Fidelity says they have fucking all real shares. The only way you have real shares is computer shares. Okay, and let's not even go there. I have videos and talked about that. That takes hours to explain all that stuff. So it's not the time for that right now. But the bottom line is hold your shit, stick to the plan, and it is what it is. These big institutions are not going to fold right away, okay? For these little hedge funds, not at all, okay? These big companies have like pension plans, and they're trying to they got a lot of fucking shit tied up in there. So the thing is, they can't just cover. It doesn't work like that. So that's the whole idea why it takes a year, and why it's a planned event. It's fucking planned. You have to have a lot of stuff involved in a short squeeze to pull it off. It's not that easy, right? It takes a year plus, right? So, and we're coming up on our year, right? So, unless you have a huge catalyst, but you still need a year. Okay. I'm going to answer some questions. If you want to know any questions, now is the time to ask. Just jump on the chat bar. I will answer your stuff because this needs to be discussed. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to understand this crystal clear, okay? I know it's a little bit, for some people it's simple, but for a lot of people it's just hard to understand because it's so easy to look at, but it's so complex in some areas because it doesn't fucking make sense. I understand that. Okay. I'm going to go away and back up here. But yeah, thank you. Thank you, Blad, for asking those questions. Thank you. A lot of people, for some reason, don't want to come to us. I like those questions like that. Okay? Excuse me. What are we sitting at right now? Oh, sorry guys, I'll put this back on for you. I was just doing using it as a template there. Okay, so I'll put that back on the 1 minute. And what are we at? I just need to know because, oh fuck. I'm looking at other stuff. I'm about fucking 15 grand down this morning on all my plays, all in total. We still got 20% to go down to hit that number, something like that. We still have a long ways to go, man. Like I said, 22 to 23, and it'll crack off of it and go back up. Okay, so let's go back to the top here, my friends, and just load the questions up. I'll answer your question. It's going to take a while because a lot of people want to know this stuff, right? Okay. Moderators, stop bugging Warren, okay? Sanjay, stop bugging Warren. Next you're going to be bugging Citizen. Ever since we gave him that wrench moderators fucking thing. I'm just joking. I'm just bugging you, Warren, Sanjay. Okay. Send me your shares to hold for a while. And the safest way to do it is, I told you guys yesterday, with your shares, instead of with the computer shares, that's the safest way. But there is no payment for order flow in Canada and the UK. It's fucking highly illegal, okay? It's jail time. We don't have payment for order flow up here. It's direct, okay? So all you need to do is, I can't trade AMC until I open up a US account through my broker or my bank. You can do the same thing. You can buy Canadian stocks without even leaving home, right? Through your trader account. That's all you have to do is transfer it into Canadian funds and you can purchase it through a Canadian entity, and it's a bango schwango, my friends. Excuse me. The States is I think the only place on the planet that does that. So if you guys are worried about that, I just keep seeing it coming up. Okay. Sorry, I'm just going through. Will we know when? Okay, I'm back to where your question is. Okay, U.S. debt deadline is today. Yes, it is. It is. Yes, it is. Good morning, Cameron. Okay. Samuel, welcome to the channel. Do you got some more info about Vanguard maybe selling? It's bullshit. It's bullshit. I had to find that out. It's bullshit. Total fucking bullshit. I just couldn't. It would have collapsed though. The whole market would have been fucked. It would, yeah. If they got into a battle, those two, it will happen. It will happen, and yes, it's going to be fucking scary, man. It's going to be scary as hell. Pardon my language, guys. Okay. So what happened in June? And there's more info. Go back into my archives on videos and stuff. I've done a lot of this stuff. Nothing's changed. It's the same thing. And once you learn this, for every stock squeeze, it's the same. So what happened in June was that gamma or shorts covered. Like I said, there's always shorts covering. There's shorts covering today, buying back their positions. They're always the smaller ones. It's just the majority. What we're looking for, and that's a beautiful question, is what happened in June was strictly FOMO. That was just FOMO, okay? We are hitting into FOMO. If that lasted about another, we kicked 2 breakers, okay? The second breaker, or no, we kicked the first breaker. It didn't even fucking slow down the vibration, up vibrations on the algorithm. I've seen it, right? It just took off again, which is rare. That means there's a lot of power behind it. Which, what killed it, we all know that, right, is because the shorts weren't covering, these big institutions and the short positions weren't being covered, so they weren't buying off of people and driving the price up. That's the whole gist. That's what a short squeeze is that I lost my train of thought. Sorry, guys. I need a sip of coffee or my throat's hurting. That's what the problem is. That was just FOMO. And those 70 million shares were dumped, okay? If the shorts were covering, it would have, yes, that would have pulled it down, but it wouldn't have ended like that. We would have been by the second day, or that end of that day, we would have been up to $110, maybe 100, maybe $98 or something like that. Okay, I'm 100% on that one. Okay, if the shorts were covering. And then the next day after that, it would have been fucking crazy. So what happened was, it crushed the fucking algorithm. At that point, we didn't have the volume that we had in the beginning. We weren't selling like 700 or 500,000 shares a day. Okay, we were doing that at one time in January, February. So AA claps the squeeze. That 100% it would have squeezed. That was on its way. It had the hedge funds going, holy shit. Okay. That's why I made videos on it. He is a CEO. He's a damn good fucking CEO. But in my opinion, we saved his company. And I made videos on this. He should have broke it into sections and sold them. Right? It's easier said than done. But I don't know why he didn't. It's no skin off his ass. Right? But, and we all would have been happy. Right? But he does not want this to short squeeze. Okay? No fucking company does on the other end. The anticipation into the short squeeze makes them fucking tons of money. As soon as this squeezes, it's over for him. It's not over as a company, but the price is going to go down, not as low because people holding the bag. That's the thing about this company, and he knows that. But his stock price is going to go back down to where it was, close to it, okay? It'll be all over. His AMC shares won't be worth platinum. They'll be worth fucking copper prices. You know what I'm saying? If I can put it like that. But yeah, he could have handled that a little bit different. But that was actually a good... it could take it. That was a good learning curve for a lot of people that haven't seen that happen before. That's how you fuck up a short squeeze when the shorts aren't covering. That's how you can kick gamma down, FOMO down. Okay, there you go. To do pre-market starts at 4. Okay, Tess, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. See, I don't know that stuff because I'm not on the East Coast and that, right? Well, hanging around with you and I know some people don't like the way I talk on stuff like that where I'm direct or I'm joking around about stuff. It is what it is, though, right? You can believe whatever you want. Been through this, right? Yeah, see, I know. Damn, I just don't get it. Oh, I think I answered that. I did. I answered that one because they can't get the shares. That's why I was tripping out with Vanguard selling, because all of their shares are real. They don't have synthetics, those guys. I know that for a fact because they can see what's real and what's not. Okay, so if they sold those onto an open fucking market, that would have fucked us. Okay, because not totally, the hedge funds would have fucking ate those right up and fucking shelved them. Grabbed them, shelved them, put them in a vault, waited, and then fucking executed their orders or returned the orders when it was time. That's how that happens. Excuse me, Rogue Island. But you've been having some good questions. Welcome back to the channel. Late to the stream. Hey, not a problem. I think my brokerage is broken. Everything is in the right on. Okay, Brian, go bonkers. Can you look into leaps expiring in 2 weeks and into leaps expiring in 2 weeks, and if that affects the short positions into closing? Like, you're talking leaps, like options. I don't do options, guy. If that's not what you're asking, but to the new people on the channel, I don't do options plays, right? I'm actually totally against it. I've seen a lot of people fucking ruin their lives over it. The odds are against you. I know you can make lots of money, but eventually you'll lose it all, right? If you go hard. It's just, it's made to make you lose. Cat! My radar went off. I'm just talking only here, and I seen Cat up on the other screen. As you guys know, all these fucking screens around here. I seen you, Cat. How you doing, girl? Okay, they're running into, and to predict some, we'll start covering very soon. They're running it down. Yes, Tess, but they got to find real shares first. Even if they ran it down to fucking $7, yeah, that'd be awesome. But they can't execute that position until they have a real share to give back to the original owner. The original owner won't take a synthetic, trust me. I wish it was that easy. But if it was that easy, there wouldn't be a short squeeze. It would have been done a long time ago. That's why that creator that said last week, oh, this thing's already squeezed. Sure, man. And yes, they can do it behind closed doors after hours and do a hush-hush on it. I would still see signs of it. You can't totally cover that up. And yes, the average person might not see it, but I watch it very closely. Trust me, guys. I like 200K shares. He was looking out. Okay. Okay. Shares he was looking out. Oh, sorry, I had to read what was above it. Cam, when do you see a margin call? Before this year? Next year. I don't believe he should have sold them. We don't need any dilution, especially from AA. Michelle, yes. It's his job to look after the company, but I think he really forgot that there almost was no AMC because of retail investors. He really fucking had a hiccup in his head. That was very I don't know. Everybody has their own opinion, and this is strictly mine. I'm looking at it with factual information of what I got on the table. I'm trying not to be biased on it. Yeah, the short squeeze I want to happen, but I'm trying to take all that off the table. He did a dick move. A total dick move, man. Like, he could have sold those in lots. Even 10,000 or even fucking $20,000 or 20 million lots. Okay? Why didn't he wait for it to squeeze and just dump them in? That would have just been a little bloop on the fucking screen. Anyways, it is what it is. I know some people just have a hard on for them, but that's all up to you guys. Enjoy your popcorn. I'm in this for money, okay? I'm in this to make money. Time out. Yeah, I know. Yeah, girl. I know a lot of people seen it. A lot of people didn't understand what was happening. Okay. I didn't at first until I got a message. I got because you guys fucking are on shit sometimes, right? I got a message right away that he dumped those shares, and I was like, oh fuck. Yeah, and that caused a lot of people pulled a solid roll. I never sold shares. I never sold anything. Right? Well, I didn't. Right? I show you. I should actually do a share. I should actually show my shares. I haven't done it this week. But or every 2 weeks I usually show what I own. Right? I'm very. That's what I stand behind. Your word. I don't give a shit who owns what, who made what, or anything in this world. Right? The one thing that means anything is your word. It means the world, okay? Hard on. What are we talking about? What are you getting? I wouldn't even comment to that. I was talking about AA. Why can't we see the like numbers? Because the like numbers, it's part of the package because I took off the comments on their test. I mentioned that a couple days ago. So yeah, guys, if you go to throw comments on my channel, and it just sometimes, or there's two different things that happen. It might come up, and then you might go back, and it's gone. That's not me. That's actual YouTube pulling it off. Is because I took the comments off there. Is because same as a lot of the other channels have done. We've hit the part of our channel and the growth. We're in that fork in the road where we're attracting a lot of douchebags. Okay. Sorry I'm saying it like that, but straight up, I'm going to be honest with you. Okay. That YouTube and the stock market has done a shift. You guys must have noticed that in the last fucking 2 months. Even the questions that they're asking on channels, they're fucking stupid, some of them. I can understand if you're learning, but like literally they're, yeah, I can't answer stuff like that. I can understand if somebody's learning, but they're not learning questions, right? And then, or it's somebody that, I'm just trying to think, or it's somebody that would attacks our subs on there, right? Because a lot of you subs are sub to other channels and stuff, right? Or other channels will have issues. Some people, and this is the honest to God truth, ask Tony De Niro the same question. Is there cults that are dead against AMC? If you go on Stock Twits and you punch in AMC under any of the other besides AMC group on there, you will get attacked. Okay, it happens all the time. So what happens is there's people that are. It's just weird. There's a shift. D-bag not allowed. Oh, sorry. I always say that. Cam, let the next Thursday. Yeah, I know you got that wrench in your hand. But what it does is it takes away from us from, not that I can handle that. It doesn't really bother me, but one of the ladies was attacked on the channel with some comments. I didn't, and that was the end of it. That's the end of it. You guys didn't come here to get disrespected and to get threatened or assaulted, right? Or harassed on there with messaging. Some of these, when people message, it's sometimes worse. I'd rather somebody punch me in the face than some of the stuff they say, right? And it's bad, man. And then then they got your handle. They sub to your not to your channel but to your link. And now they're harassing you. So I just took that off there. So yeah, guys, it's nothing against you. I know Warren mentioned it the other day when I mentioned. He's like, "Oh, dude," he thought I was pissed off on him because every time he put something in, it would erase. It wouldn't come up on the board. So that's a package when you turn it off. So what I did was I turned off the how it says like and dislike. There's no numbers, or sometimes it will say the ups and it won't tell you the downs. The likes and the dislikes, if you hit either one of them, it gives a positive to the channel. Hitting the dislike doesn't hurt the channel. It actually gives it it gives the vibration to the algorithm. go into the YouTube. Oh no, I don't know if you guys can look that stuff up because you're not creators. But yeah, go to YouTube statistics. It'll actually tell you that. Okay, there's no. They already know there's trolls on the internet, right? It's set up like that. But the thing is, with the sub count and all that stuff, it's all as one. When you check that off, it shuts down all of it. Okay, it's part of it. So it is what it is, guys. I warned you guys fucking months ago that it was going to come to this. Okay, eventually. GME is there you go, Alina. See, you're seeing. See, you're seeing it too. You're seeing it too. Well, it's trickling over to our channel. I don't know what the heck is going on, and I don't really care. I'm just grateful that the people that design YouTube have made this software available for us creators. Okay. Holy shit, Jay. Well, 200 margin calls, but are they good ones? Because you'd be fucking multi-millionaire, man, if you play it. Okay. So, anyways, you've been on our channel for a while, my friend. I haven't seen you in a while. So, anyways, facts. Unfortunately, I have 2K margin calls. I am not able to cover the rate at which everything's dropping. Okay. Is hunting a bit. I'm going to let it ride, but there's a chance they sell shares to cover. I understand your question right until the end. I gotta get a bigger screen here. I'm gonna pull up this 32-inch here and read that. Sorry about that, my friend. I just really want to answer your question. It's just it's hard on that laptop for longer questions. That's why I have multiple screens. Okay, facts. Unfortunately, I have 200 million calls and I'm not able to cover the rate at which everything is dropping. Yeah, no shit. That's stressful as hell, probably for you. It's hurting a bit. Fucking no shit. I'm gonna let it ride, but there's a chance they sell shares to cover. Like the hedge funds? Is that what you're asking, my friend? I know I sound stupid asking that, but I just want to make sure I got it correct. That's a shitty thing with texting or typing. So it's all about the... Yeah, it is. It is that, Warren. That's exactly what it is. It's that movement, harassment movement and bullying act. YouTube, they actually have a thing that they actually donate money to abuse women, harassment. They actually donate money for tax purposes to these places, right? So they're part of this movement, which is good. I'm for it, man. Right? Nobody should be able to get fucking... People should do whatever they want, right? Unless, if you're not breaking the law, then... Oh, it's a question. Oh, okay. I haven't been issued a 2K margin call, and I don't have the free cash to cover. Oh, okay. Yeah. See how it can be taken different? Fuck, buddy. Oh, fuck. Yes, they will. They will. And I know this for a fact. Tess, you want to help him out? You want to help this guy out here, Tess? You're really smart with this stuff. I know that if you're out of the money and you do have, if you're out of the money and you do have an option to buy those too. It can go both ways, but you're gonna get some help here, JSN. You're gonna get some help here, my friend. Or some answers, I meant to say. Yeah, they're gonna take that, dude, for sure, And they might even fucking bend. They might even you pretty much you're paying that money no matter what. Okay. They have your information on you, buddy. They have your social insurance number and all that shit, man. Fuck, you've been on our channel for a while. Dude, I feel for you, man. Fuck, that pisses, that, not you, but I don't know how, I think you have a week, don't you? You should get a. I think they have to legally notify you, but I don't know. Just give it a minute. You're gonna get some help. You're gonna get some questions here. Okay, correct, JSN. So yeah, there's Tess is there's a couple. This is a good time for you to ask these questions, my friend. I'm stepping back. Like I said, with options, I'm not. I don't do options. I know enough about it to stay the fuck out of it. I know enough to hurt myself and hurt everybody around me with it. No, they're gonna take. If he has shares, they're gonna take. He's talking in his account. He has shares, like you know how you own shares in his account, his trader's account. They can go in and start pulling your shit out, and they'll take your. It's classed as money. You know what I'm saying? For whatever the price is, he's saying, "Oh fuck, it's only worth 27, but it's actually worth possibly 1,000." Yeah, I know what you're dude. You have a legit reason, and this is a learning curve. And I'm not trying to put everybody on you so they're staring at it, but Lloyd, are you on the channel still, my friend? If you are, brother, I want you to pay attention to this conversation here, my friend. Lloyd is one of our younger stock traders. Really good guy. Yeah, it's just, I gotta watch. See on here. Put it this: within 10 years, he's gonna probably have millions and millions of dollars. I'm gonna make sure of that. I wish I'd paid attention. Oh, so yeah. Yes, that's a lot of people have. And the thing with options is they don't need, like, if Citadel is the world's biggest option trading network, okay? They have been forever, okay? They're not the only ones. Okay, Lloyd, I know you're probably not in this is this is no disrespect to people that do options. I know some people make a lot of money, but the statistics say because this stock is manipulated. Okay, for an average stock, yes, you can do money good on it. You can't predict the dark pool movements on volume. You can't predict the short ladder attacks, the high frequency trading, the shelving, the vaulting, naked synthetic shares. You have so much against you. This is why you don't do options, Lloyd, on a stock like this. And I'm not putting you guys on a spot. You're actually helping somebody out here. You can make a lot of money on it. Yes, you can. But you have things against you. I'm just saying that. If all that crap wasn't against you, because you can't predict volume on that. It's fucking impossible to predict the price on this stock. I don't do DD or videos on it. I used to. I won't do it because it's misleading, right? Hi, Roberto. And JSN, thank you for talking about this. I just wanted Lloyd to pay attention here on this. No, he doesn't have millions. He's gonna be a millionaire. If I had like JSN1, Jay, Alina, myself, if I was on a channel, they didn't have this when I was younger, and I had some friends like this, or just somebody even talking about this stuff, and taking and just actually bringing it out, because a lot of this stuff people don't like to talk about, right? And I don't know why, because you shouldn't. I talk about, look at when I lose money, I talk about it, right? I show you my positions I've lost, I'm down on. I got stung on 3-4 different stocks during that Reddit meme pump in January, February, right? I'm still down to 80% on them, but I've also made $200,000-$300,000 since then, right? But I will not exit those positions until I use it as a tax break and just tuck my wolf tail between my legs, or wait until it goes back up. There's 2 different ways on that one. I don't recommend. Thank you, JSN. Thank you, brother. Well, again, I have so much respect for you, my friend. I do, by just the way you're talking and stuff. You're being a real good person about this. It's not your fault though. It's not your fault. Oh, thanks, Thanks, Mark. Thanks, guys, for showing me some love. I love all of you guys, man. I don't mind doing this. I love talking. And good morning, Manjeet. We had a couple of people are like, "Well, why don't you? Where's all your DD? Where are the chart? Why aren't you doing it? You're not. What are you doing?" This is how you become millionaires: is doing this shit. And a lot of people just haven't figured that out yet, right? Right? These little things like this. If you don't know this stuff, you could almost be rich and lose it all because of technicality that you should have known. Little things like this. What happened today? Cam, someone was asking about you on Tony's channel. Oh, yeah? Right on. Right on. Was it one of our subs? Shamron, no. Payment for order. Payment for order means that it goes directly to the broker or a third-party entity that deals with deliverance to the market. So pretty much the States is fucking us. No, I'm just joking. It's not like that. It's as soon as it goes across the border, we don't know what happens with it. Okay, on the stock exchange up here, that's why I'm very, very bullish on Americans coming up here and buying our stocks, like energy sector dividend stocks, because you'll make a fucking fortune. Your money's worth more, which is worth about 25 plus, right? What do you pay? 38 to 41, depends on how much money you make when you cash out. If you cash out in the first year on your taxes, well, now you're down to what, 10 or 12% taxes instead of 38 because of the money difference. You just even it out. You have to remember, I figure out I'm a number guy, right? With this 3D. Yeah, that's right. How's Matt? Anyways, I'm gonna take a little bit of time here because yesterday I was busy and I felt bad when you jumped off there. You said hi to me when. So, Manjeet, how are you doing? I haven't talked to you in a while. I haven't even emailed or nothing. I was just wondering, just taking some time for a friend to see how you're doing and that, and it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Oh, it's okay. Thank you for telling me that stuff, though, man. It's all good, and I know it's not usually bad stuff, and if it is what it is, right? You guys know that stuff. And if it is bad, usually it's something that they disagree with what I said. It's not me actually attacking someone because I don't. Well, I've done it I've done it, but jokingly, if you know me, it's not. Yeah, it is what it is, right? Hey, it's Tim. Oh, hey, it's Tim. You can learn a lot on it, right? And we got some of the best we got better stuff than Ortex and FINRA, okay? Stoxera, it's free, and it's way better. But the little things, the minor attentions to detail, without those, you could have everything in the world and you could lose it to in the technicality, okay? I'm just telling you, you guys know this shit. That's right, Sanjay. Jay, it's only a mistake if you do it twice. The third time you're narcissistic. That's what they say anyways, right? But it happens. What is the time frame is on the chart? Okay, okay. What time frame is on the chart? I got 1 minute right now, and I'm going to do a pull back here. And it's 8:23. and it is, I'm trying to answer all the questions because it's a text that can be taken in multiple ways. We're at $28.34. 32 cents, sorry. Okay, I haven't gone through the stocks today. I'm going to let you guys... Yeah, that's right, Headstock. It's here, guys. It is coming up on our year. So we got everything. Everything is now officially in the next 3 weeks is in our corner. Okay. JSN, yeah. Yeah, that BBIG. Yeah. I wish I would have covered that. What? Okay. Oh, there's a lot of us on here right now. Myself and the moderators, we're switching some stuff. We're slowly implementing it into the channel. You're gonna see one thing that's gonna be coming up. I did one video, and I'm gonna do more of them. Some of it might piss you off. It's not intentional. If you're in on these stocks and I mention it, what it is giving the average person, even if you know how and you're a master at stock plays, paying attention to detail, you might miss something, okay? I'm not targeting it because you might be in a play, because I don't even know what you... There's so many people on the channel, I can't keep track of who owns what. That's not it. So, for instance, PROG. Okay, I don't know who's in on it. I know a couple of you are. When I put something out there and say, out there and say, hey, stay away from this fucking thing, you're going to lose money, and I go off on it, and then I turn and say, but you got to listen to the end of the video, because I always do this, but if you own it and you're down on your position, the best is to just sit there and hold it, because if you wait a year, you get a capital loss on the money, and you get a chance to get your money back. If you really believe in the stock, if you're doing plays on it and it's collapsing, I'll show you this stuff. It's not to ride your guys' ass or piss you guys off. It is to enlighten new members to the channel, educate people, and keep track of the bullshit on the stock market. The institutions, banks, and the CEOs of these companies are making a fucking fortune off of this shit. And every morning when these stocks open up, retail investors get burned. Okay, it's a new system that they're using. In the last 3 months, I've seen it started about 3 months. The last month, it's been fucking insane. And my friend just mentioned one right here. It is what it is. So I'm going to be every week to 2 weeks. Monday after market is done, I'll be blasting a video out there. Maybe one to 2 or 3 stocks, okay? And it'll be straight fucking, this is what it is and that. And I'm not putting it out there to have a debate about it. I wouldn't even ask, hey, what do you think? Because it's not what I'm doing it for. I'm doing it for is to show the pattern about how you can lose. There's no angle to win on it, okay? Even day trading, it's fucking impossible to make. They've angled it and they got it so narrowed down on some of these stocks. They're usually, I hate to say it, companies that are cancer treatment, right? Which is sad as hell what they're doing. Marijuana stocks, the smaller companies, blue chip, smaller companies, property, okay? And ETFs, smaller companies, okay? What they're doing is going after companies that don't have a big float, okay? Have you noticed some of these companies in the last month or two, they've overturned 800 to 1,000 plus of the stock in a day with FOMO, just fucking FOMO, right? I know you have, okay? That's what I'm talking about, okay? That's not good. That's right, bro. JSN, yes, one. That's why I did cover PROG on that. I didn't cover BBIG. I covered the other one this week. But every week to 2 weeks, I'm going to be putting these videos out there. So it's for you guys. I'm not doing it for myself because I can see this shit from a mile away, right? Do one video per stock. I could do that. I could, but I could do shorts. Yeah, I guess I could. Yeah, because I hate talking more than over 4 minutes. It's against my rules actually, unless it's a one cast like this. I don't like that 10, 15 minutes because YouTube takes your video and puts it into chapters and busts it up and puts a ton of commercials in there. Yep, buy more synthetics. The worst thing we could do right now is stop buying AMC shares. I'm telling you straight up. I know most of them are not making it to the market, but they're stockpiling somewhere and they have to be released eventually. And when they are, it's gonna fucking... Oh, and guys, the hedge funds, and I know we're a smaller channel, but we are fucking targeted. I know for a fact that fucking they watch our channels. Okay, that's why, and this is part of the setting too. When I shut the stream down, the chat bar gets erased. There's a reason for that. Okay, I do that purposely. Okay, I don't need to, but that's that part of that security of the channel to protect your guys' privacy. Okay, that's why. It's nothing against you guys, because I love the Wolfpack, man. Thanks, Jamal. Thanks, buddy. I just do this stuff, and I don't even need to do this. Like I've told you before, I don't even get paid for this shit, right? Like YouTube pays fuck all unless you got like 20, 30,000 subs, and then you start making a little bit of money, but like nothing. I think I get like $5 a video or something, fucking $10. It's nothing, man. It's nothing, and then I got to pay taxes on it, right? And I'm not complaining. I never did that. This channel was made for tops 20 people. It was meant for my family, so I could talk across the world to my family in different countries. And we were actually going to start doing these stocks, and they're still on here. They pop in once in a while. My aunt was on here a couple months ago. We were going to start trading stocks and cohorting together, and yeah, not pump and dumps, but something close. Something that isn't even talked about on the market yet. But we're not going to do it. I do have a serious question for you guys. No FUD, only... Yeah, go ahead. All the numbers are legit. And there's only 16% short with no synthetics. What's the... Okay. Wow, you got some good questions here, man. They're like 10 and 1. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. They own YouTube. They use it for fucking... There's a lot of hidden shit in YouTube. They communicate with YouTube. But we're not going to get into that. Natalie, how you doing? I was waiting for you to stop by. I was waiting for you. I knew you were going to pop in today. So, I'm going to... JSN, I was just thinking about your question there for a minute. There's, okay, I got to stop. Okay, I do have a... I like how you put no FUD. I like that, how you try to... Curious, if all the numbers... I just had to read it twice because I want you... it can be taken a couple different ways here. Okay. If all the numbers are legit... Okay, what do you... I have a question for you. The numbers are legit. Are you talking about the stock, the fucking stock prices, the share prices? Because I got to ask this because it's a text message pretty much, and you know there's emotions and feelings attached to it. I can't look at your face and read. It's just strictly off what I'm reading. So yeah, it can be taken a couple different ways, but we will get through it. Is that what you're talking about? Those numbers are legit. Because you have two questions here, and there are only 16% short. Okay. Short interest or short volume? Two different things. They're totally opposite. Okay. It's text. I know that's why I'm asking you. Like I gotta know. I gotta get more information from that, my friend. And not that I'm picking on you. You only can do what you can on a message. I know that. I have the same issues. I wish this thing you could take turns and you could talk. Like they got to, yeah. But then they'll have voice recognition software on you. With no synthetics. What's the range? I don't know. The last bit, dude. Fuck. I have no idea on that, my friend. But I can answer the 2 questions that you asked. Oh, Sanjay. Oh, fuck. Well, yeah, that's right, Manji. Yeah, you'll do good on your channel. Well, you know so many people. Hi, Cam, and sorry, I was reading some other stuff. I would love to shake your hand one day, Cam. Oh, I'd like to shake yours too, man, for sure. And Jamal, we're gonna be going to Mexico. Fuck, the wife wants to go in 3 weeks, man. Actually, I might be after Christmas. I might just go. But it won't be as our party thing. It'll just down. Well, I'll probably a couple of you guys will show up. Always do, right? I haven't done it since the channel's gotten a fair size, but I did it last year though. Oh. Yeah, I want to shoot some good videos. I like shooting videos out in the sun, first thing in the morning when it's early, in the stock market. Except the wind messes with the mic. I'm gonna bring a different mic next time. Cam, did you ever share my email with people in the chat? Never. You know how secret I am about shit. Fuck no. No. I don't even know your email. I'd have to go into my computer and look it up. No, I would never do that. That's the same as giving somebody's phone number out. I'd never do that. But it's all good you ask, right? It doesn't hurt to ask. But you know how secret I am about that shit on here, right? Like when I ask about your guys' shares, you don't have to tell. Yeah, because there's like it's evasion of privacy. Even just know it. Some people don't even want to tell how many shares they have. Oh, fucking guys, you're funny. I'm going to Carmen to play. I already have the spot picked. I already have fucking the hotel and everything. I think it's really cheap right now. I'm waiting till the COVID's a little bit worse. No, I'm just joking. No, we're thinking about. I really don't give a fuck about COVID shit right now. I know it's a bad thing to say because it can kill you, but the way I operate is, it's not going to affect me because I'm not going out to nightclubs there. I totally do a thing. I do a different thing. Yeah. Anyways, it is what it is. And even if some of you guys show, I'm not going clubbing. That's not the trip for that. Okay. I got to put myself in one of those one of those beach balls. You know, those ones that you can walk in. That's what I'm going in. Me and the wife. I'm just joking, but okay. Did I answer you guys' questions? I'm just waiting. Oh, you're probably typing it, Jay. Yeah, because that's a lot. Any of you have any more questions? Any of you wolves out there? I'm not going to jump off, but I just wanted to keep this going. I'm going to go through the stock screener here. I'm going to be very transparent. I'm going to show you how much money you can lose in a day. When you have a lot of money invested in the stock market, when you have a red day like this, when it 2, 3, 4, 5%, how many tens of thousands you can lose in a half a day. I'll show you. And am I depressed? Fuck no. I'm actually happy because it only can go up. That doesn't bother me. I'm down probably $100,000 right now in total. Because I have 2 different accounts. I'm talking in this one. Not in one day. I'm just talking in the last little bit here. Oh. And that's fucking chump change, man. Because that can make some serious money down the road. Those are dividend stocks that I'm talking about. Warren's being picked on me all day. Much love, Christopher. Oh yeah. That's funny. Well, you got to get used to that stuff, though. I know you guys are fucking around with that. I think I caught that too. I looked over and some love. Aw, thanks, brother. Yeah, thanks, guys, and I really appreciate everybody. I'm not getting off the channel, but I really appreciate everybody. Since we've locked the comment things down, the morale on the channel and the fucking attitude has gotten a little bit, not from you guys, but there's not that added fucking bullshit of everything. You guys know what I'm talking about? It's totally fucking way. Not that it was really stressing me out. It was stressing you guys out more. I've gotten a couple emails about it. You guys are hilarious. He's picking on you. You got a fucking wrench in your hand, man, and a dog. Like, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna bounce over here, and we're gonna get into some. I'm gonna check some stuff out here, guys. Some serious stuff. Oh, there's another Sanjay on here. Do you have two channels, Sanjay, on here, on YouTube? Do. It's probably echoing. Wow. Shit, man. This channel's just fucking climbing, man. Got over 150 subs just today in like a little bit. Wow, cool. Welcome to the channel, everybody. It's our new mods. It's our attitude. Wow, that's... Fuck, I've only been on here how long? I just checked that. How long have I been on here? Not that I'm not bragging. I'm just saying that good. I'm glad people are coming for education. That's exactly what it is. And hang out with you guys. Cam, you should watch... I know the dude. I know who you're talking about. Yes, that's what I'm saying. There's these cult shit going on. GME, AIM. There's people that fucking hate it. If you talk about it, dude, they will come rip your channel up. They'll come in a team and fucking start. I've seen it happen. And if I would invite them to come, because we got some fucking crazy shit on people on this channel. And it's so easy to get their IP addresses when you come and start fucking. Even when you fucking strike it down, it logs your, or you hidden up on the, striking the channel and all that stuff doesn't do anything to it at all. It actually gives it a positive when you strike a channel down. So if you guys hate a channel, don't go over there and strike it down, because you're giving them a hit. You're giving them an algorithm pump. Okay. It's not designed like that. It's an anti-bullying platform. Okay. Just so you guys know. Just in case you guys... Cam, I referred to others... referred to the other Sanjay. We know... We now have two Sanjays. Yeah, we do. We have two Sanjays in the channel. A Sanjay S. What's... yeah. Unless Sanjay's fucking with us. He does crazy shit like that. 30-minute question. Okay. It's a wonderful channel info. Aw, thanks, Splendid. Thank you guys. And it's you guys that do it. Like I've always said that. I'm just sitting here being okay, I'm just sitting here just passing. Wow, guys, it's not ringing for once. There we go. Look at that, eh? I had to close it because of the sun. Fucking finally. All those people that are fucking houses are underwater, man, can actually enjoy some light. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. Oh, it's so sad. So sad. Everybody down there can't get flood insurance, eh? Oh, in that city. Not one person can get flood insurance in that city because it was a lake at one time. Cam, I referred to the other... Okay, not read that. Cat... I just felt like saying that. I miss you. I miss hanging out with you. Cat's been on my channel since the beginning almost. Yeah, no, since the beginning. A lot of you have been. Operator error. You guys are fucking hilarious. Oh my god. I'm just reading your guys' questions. I'm going through them because I don't want to be rude and miss anything here because it is Friday. I just went on his channel to check him out, and he was saying he sold his shares around when Adam Aaron sold. Leon the Lion, 90% of the YouTubers sold their shares, and everybody and everybody else, okay, in YouTube, and over 60% of the people at that when it tanked down, when it took that big climb down, 60% of the people sold their shares, and almost all of them bought back in. Okay, I know that for I did not, and I know a lot of you haven't. But you have to think about when I say 60%. There's a lot of people that don't even do stock plays that bought into it for strictly money. I'm talking about retail. I'm not talking institutions. Take that right off the table because they own real shares, right? What's my hidden talent? I can't talk about it on here. Ask my wife. I will, Kat. I'm gonna write that down. When we're in Mexico, you go ask my wife that. Just send me. Oh, citizen. Okay, I was saying I always send you an email. Okay. I'm 18. So okay. Brian going bonkers. You're 18. Oh, dude, man, that's awesome. Dude, man, you fucking good for you, man. And you were on this when we were talking about what we just talked about today. If you stay away from and learn off of these people, and they were fucking nice enough to actually talk about their losses. You know how hard that is for people to do, especially on a fucking live stream like this. It takes guts as a person. You're like, well, no, it doesn't. It's just talking. No, it is self-discipline, and it takes a certain person to do that. Okay. Yeah, and I do that too, right? That's why I know that, because it takes a lot as a person to do that, because I do it all the time, and it makes you feel better after you do it, because you're helping somebody, and it's not. Oh, that's the worst fucking thing about channels. It's not all money, because there's losses along the way, right? And if you don't share those losses, it's like the stock channels. There's a couple of them out there, and they got like hundreds of thousands of subs. The guy has 4 Lamborghinis in the driveway, and he cracking hookers. No, I'm not. No, that's another one of them. But you know who I'm talking about. I'm just being an asshole. But have a bunch of Lamborghinis in there, and they have a whole bunch of money on the ground. They just throw it out, or they'll light some money on and burn it and throw a couple $100 away, and they'll see a whole bunch of things pop up, or not the YouTube commercials, but Coinbase, that stuff where they're selling fucking hair growth formula, like Matt Coors was. No, I'm just joking, like that shit, right? So those are the channels to fucking stay away from, okay? Making you rich in 60 days. Have a book or something like that. Like, I know exactly. So that's what I'm just referring back to what you're talking about. It's called false illusion, okay? It's what they're doing is painting a picture in front of you of what you want to see, right? Everybody wants that, of course. Are they those cars are probably on a car lot, and he's fucking photoshopped it or anything, right? Catherine, another chat tonight. Oh, of course, Kat. Of course she's coming on tonight. Oh shit. Oh guys, you have the link. JP, what's up? So you guys have the link, right? On your list I sent you. I'm testing you guys right now. You know the list I gave you. There's 9 links on it. You all on here got, well, no, actually a couple of you might not have got it. But actually we're going to go on YouTube tonight. Because we only can fit 20 people on there. Actually, we'll do that another night. Yeah, that's right, Jamal, it is. But you, Brian Go Bonkers and Lloyd, did you? Okay, I found the interview on the Superstock channel in Reddit. Okay, thank you, Kat. We're not gonna go on Google Meet tonight. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna go on. I'll come on with you guys onto YouTube, and what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna stay on real late. I gotta go spend some time with my family. I've been doing a lot of computer stuff, thumbnails, and I've revamped our whole channel. As you know, I've all this stuff to change all this shit. It takes a long time. If you guys know anything about this stuff, it fucking takes a long time. Okay, and you gotta watch what you put because of copyright stuff. You gotta check all the, yeah, it's crazy stuff. But and then the thumbnails, I've revamped our thumbnails. What do you guys think of the thumbnail on the channel, the last one? I always ask you guys this stuff. So, because I really don't care. I don't. I do this for you guys, right? But it takes a lot of time to make it, and then after that, you got a template. It's not as bad. But I'm switching it up because I don't want to be one of those clickbait channels with the same content all the time, right? And Brian and Lloyd are, I'd like to see you guys should make a 5 and a 10-year plan. If I knew about that shit, fuck, I bet you'll be a millionaire within the 10-year plan, guys, just by knowing the knowledge of watching us. And then people are probably thinking, but you guys don't do anything. Well, I'm making, well, not today, but when I'm sitting here, I'm making money constantly. A couple of people say, well, you don't do anything, you don't make money. Well, I'm sitting here talking to you guys, I'm fucking working on my portfolio, right? I'm all day long, right? I know you guys are too. You're listening to the channel, and you guys, I know you own stocks, so obviously you're working on your stocks, right? I'm hungry for info. Please don't leave me behind. Crypto, just come on the link tonight. We're not going to do Google Meet because I can't get that many people on. That's only VIP shit, and that is for when we have emergency meeting or something like that. Because we only can get 20 people in per room on there. It's $1,000 to get in there for a full membership for the year, and you only get 1 hour, and that's why you get 10. No, I'm just joking. It doesn't cost anything. Okay, so yes, you can. Yes, you can. I can. Yes, I can. I can. Michael, you should have got that. I sent you the list, bro. You didn't get it? Did you check your mail? What it is it's just sticky notes that are snapshot on a piece of paper, and it has 10 links on it. We're not going to use that tonight though, but we do use that on some meetings to test our software out and stuff like that. We're going to be using that. Remember I said that we're going to do collabing? Sanjay came up with it, that you guys wanted to come on the channel and talk with me, right? You guys wanted to do that. No other channel's doing that, okay? Not that that's why we're doing it, but we're gonna start a new era with YouTube. We're gonna start a fucking beta collabing here. So, no, Sanjay, I have her email. I have her email, my friend. I just won't put it on here, right? And you guys can't put links on here anyways. It's blocked from that. Or no, actually, sorry, Sanjay and Christopher can. Yeah, you guys can, but I'd prefer not sharing emails unless it's your own on there. Especially a girl's email is not good to be sharing. Not that the guys are fucking assholes on here, but it's just not good. You're pretty much gonna have to terminate that email within 2 weeks because you'll get blown up with shit. It's just fucking nowadays. Not this channel's probably pretty safe, but sorry, I'm very protective over my subs. What's up, everybody? Rodney Price! What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to? So what we'll do is we're going to have to discuss a time, my friends. We only have 37 people. I was waiting for a bunch of people to leave because they weren't actually members. I can see that, right? I know there's still some that aren't. But what it is, I'm just fucking around. I can see that stuff on the stats. Who is and who isn't. But it doesn't matter. Not my problem. It's not my problem if you don't want to get rich. But it is what it is. So, what time do you want to come on here tonight, guys? Oh, fuck. Oh, it's early. Ha! I got an interview in the oil patch. Just hang on a second. I got a fucking big time interview today. Oh, and I don't even know what it's for. I sort of know what it's for. Yeah, I know, Rodney, I know. No, we're not doing the tonight is not a meeting. It is, but it's us hanging out. You guys, everybody's be partying and drinking and smoking doobies, and that's what we do. That's what we do on the channel. We haven't done it in a long time, but it's party night, man. Tonight is ripping her up. I might even go grab a 6-pack. Yeah, Michael, I knew I did. I was just I was seeing what you would say, bro. You are you're on the you guys are elite VIP patch members. You're full patched VIP members, man. You have a different standard that I have to uphold for you guys. When you have that wolf beside you, it's not that not that you're treated different. Okay, it's like same as when you're a fucking patch member on a Harley. Okay, you're treated different. It's just that it just is what it is. And I know if you can't afford that and you don't have it, I'm not going to treat you different as a person, but I will treat you different because you are opened up to different things on my channel by YouTube. By having that membership, you're opened up to elite stuff on the channel, like the post board. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I don't want to go through it. Stuff that I don't control, right? So that's work. Okay, Rodney. So that's what I'm talking about. And if you guys don't have that membership pack, I think it's only like $3 and I don't know what it is. I don't even know. But not that I'm trying to push people on that, but a lot of people don't even know it's there. You just hit the join button on the channel. And that gives you there'll be days that I like tonight. If I was like it's members only night, which I've done before, if you don't have that wolf head behind you, you can't get in the channel. The YouTube won't let you in. All I do is click a button and say members only, and the YouTube, I don't even have to screen. Members only come in, right? There's time and places we do that, right? When I want to talk to all the members, just the members of the channel, because we might be changing something on the channel. Well, if you're supporting the channel that much, you do have a say in some of the shit. Okay? Well, look at Sanjay and Christopher. See? Now they got fucking wrenches beside their names. But I'm just saying I don't look at you any different. Okay? I'm just saying that it's obvious. The wolf head speaks for itself, right? That's all I'm saying. Salesman Cam. I knew Sanjay was going to razz me. That's why I said that. No, I'm not trying to sell anything, my friend. I was just elaborating on what it means. So, I was bugging Michael. And did you get my oh, guys, I forgot to tell you guys. Andre boxes. Christmas is coming up, okay? I got a new shipment in. Shenzhen, China. My boxes came in. It took them only like fucking a month and a half to get here. Usually it's only 2 weeks. I got like a whole case of Android boxes. Brand new right off the press. Right out of the molds. So they are 5G boxes, which the other ones were too. They're the same ones, right? Oh, I'm not bummed about. No, yeah, it's all fit. I'm not bummed about the price at all, at all. I'm I'm more upset that people are like cattle with the volume and not buying. I think that people should do whatever the fuck they want in this world. When somebody tells them not to do something, that people should use their own judgment on stuff. I want you guys to, right? Like, that's why I'm very open to advice and stuff like that. Exactly, Rodney. Yeah. So yeah, the boxes. So you care more about people who give you money? I've been hearing since the summer. I don't talk much, but I hear you loud and clear. So you care more about people that give you money? Yeah, that's it, brother. That's it. That's why I come on here every day and I don't get paid for it, and I sit here and I talk with you guys. That's what it is. You nailed it, bro. You nailed it. You nailed it, man. You nailed it. No, what I was rewind. What I was saying is the channel, YouTube, when you're a member of the channel, it recognizes you through your URL. It lets you go into the channel to different stuff. Like if I do a podcast or onto the chat board on the members, there's an actual section for members, like posting stuff on the board. I'm just telling about the perks about it. Yeah, so that's it. I don't charge for a lot of stuff. I could charge for Google Meet, right? Yeah, it is what it is, right? Education's not free, right? Some parts of it. And with my Android boxes, it is a way to save people, the average person, to about $1,500 a year, $1,000 a year. And yeah, I do charge for it. And my time, yeah, I'm about $100 to $200 an hour when I'm doing business. It is what it is. Like I said, I won't get out of the seat for less than $100,000 a year. Why do you think I'm sitting here, right? And no, I don't make that on YouTube. I'm talking working a job, because my education, and I have a steel neck, so it's a lot of pain. Members pay for a subscription. Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's like $4 a month or something like that. But they get access to emojis and a whole bunch of stuff that YouTube sets it. I don't have any say in that, my friend, at all. And my videos, I do stuff different. I could do clickbait videos and make my videos longer, so my CPU rate goes up. I could make YouTube shorts. I could make 4 or 5 videos out there. I'm glad you were talking about this. I'm not upset. I'm glad you're talking about this, man. It clears up the air, because a lot of people don't understand this stuff. My CPU rate is really low. For this video right now, by me shooting this, maybe 400 people watch it. I maybe make $2 or $3 off it. Nothing at all. Okay. My electricity probably is that much for all these monitors and stuff like that. And I was just saying about where the button was to buy, because a lot of people don't know, and it doesn't work on iPhone. There's people that want to, yeah, it is what it is. I don't force anybody to do it at all. As you're seeing on here, right? Diamond balls, diamond nuts. Yeah, no shit, eh? Yeah, but you guys know, like it's all good. It's all good. And hey, guys, be nice to him. If I don't know, guy, girl, I've never met you before. My friend. But you've been on the channel for a while. I've never seen your name on there, and I know you hang out in the back office, but I have a data sheet that shows everybody on there, right? But it is what it is. I've never looked for that name before, though, to be honest with you. right? So, but maybe you weren't a member before. Because if you were, I know you just joined right now. I can just check it right now, but it is what it is, right? But it is all good. Those are good questions, my friend. It is good questions, right? And yeah, a lot of people do speculate stuff. I could run a Matt Coors fucking sub channel here, and do super chats and stuff like that. I do stickers, and I've maybe had 5 in my lifetime. It's part of the package. Yes, you can do it. I have, yeah, I don't push that stuff, right? I don't really, to talk to me on the chat bar, you don't need to pay me, okay? Like I said, this channel was only meant for 20 people, man. But anyways, I love these talk. Oh, thanks, AMC. See? I'm just joking about when I say patch member. Like an angel, hey, you got a patch? When I go like this, that's just my humor. You guys know me. You guys know me. And this is my family, right? This is different than just any other channel. We do more than, the market's fucking in red today. I really don't give a shit about the stock market right now. And then the guys on here don't. We've already done our shit today on it. But yeah, we have a family. We're going to go to Mexico to cruise around. We spend time on here talking about stuff. We have private VIP groups that aren't even on YouTube. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes, right? But yeah, MC on here bought one of my Android products. There you go right there, my friend. Thanks, Tess. Thank you, brother. Bought one of my Android products for his elderly father, and now the guy's watching movies right out of the theater right in his house, and it's crazy, man. And that's the stuff I do. Oh, that's the stuff I do for people on here as friends. And thank you, Tess. I appreciate that. Oh man, I wasn't hinting anything at all, but yeah. It's all good, but I want you to stick around. Don't take that as an insult at all, okay? Please hang around. Hang around, brother. Hang around. But yeah, YouTube does have a bad name for stuff, and yeah, I just fuck, our channel's not that far. Probably in about 6 or more months, the channel's gonna be locked down anyways. As soon as that chat bar starts going, I've always said this, when it goes fast and I can't talk to you guys on there, I'll lock the channel down. I'm not after subs like that, right? I don't care. Like, I have tons of money anyways. My house is paid off. I'm retired, man. I don't fucking need money, man. Except I'm going to go back to work for a little bit, but it is what it is. Do you have a Mexico date? I know, Kat, it's in fucking Alberta. Sundial territory. That kind of fucking was, I need to get a passport for the baby. Okay. Yeah, Kat, with the baby, I wouldn't take the baby down there, man. Ew. I think you guys scared him away. He or her, I don't even know. But he was actually pretty polite, actually. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, guys. We've never actually talked like this before, but that was very good. He was actually, I don't know if it was a guy or girl, right? Because you can't tell. But not that bad of a person, actually. He was very polite on it, because it's kind of hard to ask those questions, right? He was direct, but so am I. I'm one of fucking the most direct people out there. That or else I'll chip your tooth, right? Right? I'm just joking around. What's the pros play? Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm not vaccinated, so I will be the first Mexican. Yeah, I know, and yeah, let's not get into that conversation. Fuck, I gotta go for a third one now. Fucking bastards. Oh, Michael, I did find out an Android box. I know I'm diverting a bit off of this, but you asked me those questions. They do work in the UK. I can't ship the fucking battery over for the remote. The remote's like 20 bucks in the store at Walmart or whatever. You can just take the chip out of the remote, the keyboard Bluetooth remote. It's just this thing. Plugs in there. Okay? And yeah, and that's it. I can ship the box there, man. I just can't ship a lithium battery over with it because it can't be in the plane, right? It's just rules, right? And guys, the Wolfpack emblem, as you know, my daughter is a fucking world-known tattoo artist, and then when I say that she is, I'm laughing, but she's fucking like awesome. Kat Von D works circles around her, circles, hands down, 20 times better than her, hands down. I'm not bullshitting. She travels all over the world, does her own seminars. Oh yeah, she's fucking brilliant, man. You nailed it, Warren. That's why I said ask my wife. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck, you're a smart little fucker. You're a smart little fucker. That's funny. That's funny. Not to that degree, but you're up. You're pretty much. You're pretty close. You're pretty close. But she would tell you. My wife's pretty blunt like me. Oh, thanks, Michael. I got it. I knew you guys would laugh on that one. It's not to the degree you think, but you're pretty. Oh yeah. So yeah, what I was saying about that box, Michael, if you're still on here or whatever, if not, I can send that to you if you want. That's up to you. But guys, as I was back to it, sorry that I was talking about something and it got diverted. That shipment of boxes came in. You guys know the price, and if not, then send me a message. I can't talk about prices on stuff on YouTube about that stuff. Like I said, majority of your cable channels are all free. Okay, you don't pay. It gets rid of cable. Movies, all the Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, all of that stuff is free. You don't pay a monthly script on it, and it is illegal in the other country. So, for instance, it's off a public domain network, which is not illegal. A cable channel, like say, a cable channel in Vancouver, like let's see, BCTV, for instance, they have to broadcast for free up to 50 kilometers from the main building for free. It's part of the rules, okay, of broadcasting. Anything past that, they can sell it, okay? So a public domain, they list it on there, all these companies, so you log on there and you get free cable channels, okay? They make their money off of commercials. So that is, you cannot download it, which is illegal. I'm telling you the law is right now because I don't want you to get in trouble, and that's my job as to tell you that, right? I legally have to tell you that, the bind of it, right? And you cannot download the content. It's illegal. It's copyrighted. You're copy infringing it then, right? It's the same rules as fucking YouTube. So there you go. So yeah, guys, I'm just saying for Christmas and that I ordered those boxes for you guys, right? Because I know a lot of. So it saves the average person about $1,000 to $1,500 a year, about $10,000 every 10 years, okay, to $15,000 that you'll save. And we got about 20,000 channels. Depends on the languages you speak and all that stuff, different languages. But anyways, I can give you more info if you message me. I'm going to branch off of that a little bit. I know I'm all talking about stuff, and usually I'll get more into it, but I'm trying to cover a lot today. There you go, Tess. When we're all in Mexico and I'm drunk, you'll know why. You'll know why they call me my nickname. I'll talk to you guys when we're in Mexico. Oh, it's 5G. It's 5G, which 5G, it's 5G. The other they're all 5G, even plugged in, but they're 5G wireless, which I don't recommend wireless on any fucking device in this fucking world. There is issues that can happen. Okay, even on this like a fucking $4,000 laptop, 4K laptop convertible. It doesn't even have a fucking port to plug in anymore. All the new laptops are like that. They run off of a fucking Thunderbolt. Christopher is on here and know exactly, which is a brilliant system, but you can't plug a Ethernet cable in anymore. It sucks. That's all it is. It's the same as the T. It's the same as before. Same thing. It just, in case you do have to take that, like my travel trailer. When I go traveling around in that, I got an Android box. I can log my Amazon Prime on there. I can load the thing up with other apps on there. I can put games on there. It's a little box like this, and it fucking holds so much shit in it, man. I can put my Netflix account in there. And guys, if you do have your own accounts paid for, that was going to be more clear on the Netflix. The one version that I put, I don't have that. It's not called Netflix. It's called something else because that is copywriting. But if you do, I strictly go by the rules on this stuff. Yes, you can make fraud boxes, and I'm not into that shit, right? I'm strictly to the law on this shit. I respect that for artists. Like I'm doing artwork right now on this. I wouldn't want somebody to fraud me. So that's why when a couple guys asked me about this, I can't put that on there for you. All this stuff's been authorized to do, but I'm just saying you can put Spotify on there, all that stuff. So yeah, when I'm in my RV partying, because I got a slide out with a bar and stuff, my trailer with LED lights outside and stuff, I fire my Android box up and they plug this into it right here, and I got 20,000 songs. That little chip right there plugs in the side of the box, right? So yeah, it can do crazy stuff. Anyways, kickstand cam. Oh, I love that. You guys I haven't had my hair. They are able to do 5G wires. Yeah, they are. They are there, brother. They are. Yeah, they're 5G. They are. You can do both. I'll show you guys. It's Christmas time. I'll do some self-promotion on the channel. I don't mind doing this because it's my channel, right? I have had people are we doing stocks or are we selling boxes? That guy, I did kick off the channel. That was a long time ago. He was a bit of an ass anyways. If you guys are asking the questions, I give the answers. So here's one of the boxes right here. Okay? Brand new. Okay? Brand new box. I've never done this before, so you guys enjoy. Brand new. 4K. 4K. Sorry, it's 4K box. It's hard to see with that fucking light on there. There, that's better. There you go, 4K box. Take the plastic off. See? 4K ultra high definition. Okay, back. Ethernet. Okay, HDMI. And then you can hook power supply AV. You can hook this to a surround sound stereo system, and they fucking pound, man. I got one over there, right? Got one right here. I got them all over the place, man. You need one per TV, but you can move them. They're light, like, right? This thing expands up to, I don't know. I forget how big you can put a chip. You can put a chip in the side. Same as your phone. This is okay, you can know your Android phone, okay? How you can get shit on it in games. It's the same thing. It's an Android, but I converted the software and modified it to go all into this, okay? And I give you a free VPN that's worth $20 up to $20 a month, and an ad blocker for life. You do not have to pay for that. That's on me. That's part of my software package that I give. Okay. There you guys go. So yeah, I have over 4,000 of these across the world. I've been selling these for like 5 years, right? So yeah, I got a big clientele of these things. I was on YouTube with that, but I don't. You're dealing with a lot of people that don't speak English. It's just very, very stressful. Not that I'm racist like that, but it's just I don't speak other languages, so I expect them to speak my language if they want the information, right? So it is what it is. It's just that was turning into a problem. So it's just too stressful on me. Samuel, your stock screen is frozen. Is it? It is frozen because it is. Thank you, brother. It is frozen because I got this on here. Thank you so much. You're a good wolf, man. I'm gonna jump off here. It is because there we go. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Because I was showing that. It does. It has optical. It has an optical out. Yeah. It does. It does, my friend. We gotta fucking. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you. I like it when you guys interrupt me. No, in a good way. In a good way. In a good way. It's just that, have you noticed that it's a different type of channel? We can sit here and crack Ortex all day long. We could jerk Ortex off all day, right? I personally, we could sit and watch those charts, Ortex charts, and argue over how real it is, and sit here and draw stuff on the screen. I am gonna get into teaching some lessons on here, some schooling, but that's in due time, a little bit at a time. Because the average person won't understand it once you get into it too fast. We're going to slowly get into it. Okay? And yeah. So this is looking good right here. I'm liking this day. I'm liking this, actually. There's nothing wrong with this. This is proper. What are we at? We're down so fucking low that they can't go any lower. Well, they can, but it's... Holy shit. Pro just down 13. Fuck. We called that one. Oh yeah, I'm losing money across the whole board right now. Oh, DWAC. Remember I said it was going to go down? It's down 9%. That's what I was saying. Exit your position by the end of the day on that. BlackBerry's down it's down 877. Suncor Energy's down a little bit, which is, I don't care because it's dividend I get paid anyways. Lithium's crashing. I cashed out on that. Everything's down. Cardano's down, but so I am down probably about $15,000 today. I can tell by just looking at it. Do I care? No, I don't. No, I don't. And this is nothing. If you can't handle losing that kind of money, you're probably gonna have issues in the fire sale. You just. I would go cut the fucking cord off your fucking TV and throw it in the garbage, and then just buy a new cord in 2 months. Yeah, there's a lot of people that just can't handle losing money like that. You got to be disciplined because you know the outcome in the end. It's going to go back up. It's a revolving door, right? But on AMC, that's when I was talking about a lot of people sold, and I know you know some people that did. And that are close friends that will actually tell you the truth because there's a big morale. Oh, my words are my word. I'm strong. I'm an AMC, and I wouldn't sell. Fucking, I'm an ape. Like, come on, man. Really? We're just people. It is what it is. But I'm a wolf. That's different. It is what it is. Some people have to sell because of medical reasons. It is what it is. It's a revolving door. We're humans. It's not about that. It's not about that. We've already had the stock squeeze play. The bottom line is it doesn't matter what the price of the stock is on this screener in the next 2-3 weeks, months. It doesn't matter. That's not the play. That never was the play. The play was, part of the play is if we can get that price up to 100, it will force a stock squeeze. Okay? That was one catalyst that we could do. The other one is starving them out because they're paying large money right now. Short interest, keeping the short interest up high. That's another catalyst. It is what it is. We've bought the whole float up. We've already crossed a lot of things on it. Options, my friend. Options. Like Citadel is, like I said, one of the biggest option company in the world. It's all internal. Okay, so when their options are in the money, they obviously make money, right? And they are moving the stock pretty fucking close. An option, you don't need to nail exactly right to the penny. You guys know that, right? If you're just in that realm of the area, it still give money, but it might not be all. You know what I mean? It's a veritable price right on there. They're getting it so fucking close that they're making a killing. You can just see where. That's how I'm picking these channels. How would I know 4 days every week, pretty much what area that fucking stock's gonna execute at by the end of the week, right? Along with dark pool shit, along with manipulation, along with all this other stuff, contributing factors that I can't control. It's because of those options, my friend. T, that's a good fucking question. It is what it is, right? They don't have to report that. It's an internal fucking system. It's a very corrupt system. But that options when you're out of the money and you fuck up, you lose, right? You got margin, you got to pay some money, right? They're gonna pull some money out of your account. They already have that contract. That's their contract. That's your contract, but you bought it off them. They don't have to disclose anything. It's an internal. That goes right in their pocket, right? So simple. And if you don't think they're doing it, trust me, think twice. Okay? It's such a fucking... And how are you supposed to prove? Because it's a synthetic. How are you supposed to prove and pay taxes on a synthetic? You can't. It's corrupt as fuck. Okay, so you can collect the taxes on it, but at the end of the year, the feds want the actual fucking declaration number on the ticket, right? On your share ticket. Well, it's a synthetic, so you can't pay the taxes on it. Does that make any sense? It's a loophole. So it's only a win-win for hedge funds. So they got all these little plays all over the place that just make them substantial amount of money. And a lot of people don't know about this shit. I just figured it out and asked a couple people that I know, and they're like, "Fuck! I thought I was the only one that knew that." But if you watch them and you understand it a little bit, and with the synthetic stuff, the whole synthetic thing itself is fucked. Okay, they can sell it to us, collect all this taxes on it, but on the other end, they can just go, "Oh, thank you." Because it's not real, right? Same, but dividend stocks, you can't make a synthetic with it. That's because they're all registered with the feds, right? Because there's a major fucking money coming in from them. I smell something burning. Anyways, so guys, yeah, that was the Android stuff. So, what the fuck is burning? I think I smell something burning. Weird. Bought 5 more shares AMC. There you go, Be Ghost. Be Ghost. What's up, brother? Hell yeah, Be Ghosted 2 is in the fucking house, man. It doesn't come with the cable T, but it has the things. Yeah. I would make a good hedgie. Oh, fuck, I would make a good hedgie. But I couldn't live with myself, though. Well, yeah, I could. For a while. The suicide rate's really high being a hedge fund, just so you know that. Not saying anything. I'm just saying that it's a pretty fucking stressful job if you can live with yourself. Because what you're doing is you're a bottom feeder, right? You're fucking people over intentionally. But you know what they used? I don't know the person. It's not intentionally to a person. I don't even know them. It's just a number. And it's a stupid share. If they fucking know there's synthetics out there and they bought the shit anyways, well, they're fucking retards anyways, and they deserve to get burned. That's whose minds you're playing with. That's what they think about the world when they took their houses in 2008. So there you go. That's how small their brains are. Majority of them. Thanks, T, for the questions. I wish that guy would come back on here. I was having fun with him. And Samuel, thank you. What the fuck was that guy's name? I hope because he did something. I liked him. I liked him. It's kind of hard to ask those questions without being direct, but the way it was. Fuck him. You didn't like him the 8th Ange? I know you didn't. I could tell. What's his name? I don't know what the fuck that means. Members pay for a subscription, so you get nothing from that. Well, I'm mistaken. No, he was all right. He was asking questions. Paid subscription, yes. So you get anything for that? Well, yeah, you do. Because how would he know? Anyways, it's all good. I just wish we got more of that stuff, right? People asking questions. Native Gamer, I was creeping on you the other day. I actually was. No, you popped up on, like I said. Fuck. Like I said, I know who I'm talking to. I don't just talk to anybody. I know who I'm talking to. I do a background check, a simple one. My software does it. Not that I'm looking at your shit. I mean, I see how long, like, you've been a member of the channel. Little things like that. Before you, like, for instance, the VIP room. I gotta be fair like that. You guys understand that? It's for the channel's protection, okay? If somebody's been supporting us a long time and been hanging out, it is what it is, right? Or somebody will say, "Oh yeah, I've been on the channel for fucking a long time watching you." Well, why'd you just join 10 minutes ago? I'm not speaking to anybody in general. You know what I'm saying? Because your word's your word. No, I was thinking of you the other day, Native Gamer, just because I'm native too. But no, I'm just joking. I don't know if you're native. I'm just saying because you could be native again. But what games do you play, my friend? That's why I was actually thinking of you the other day. You popped up on one of my feeds when I was looking for something on the channel here, and I was just wondering what games you play. And you're asking me for a ticker symbol. I went in on. ARDX. Native Gamer, was that before you watched, or have you watched me pick out a stock and just analyze it and fucking pick it apart to figure it out if it's one of those stocks? I think, well, you've been around for a while. If not, go watch my last video. I'm going to be doing those every 2 weeks, and to protect and educate Mawa and other people, right? It is what it is. That's right. And Kat, she's diehard, just like me. I will not let that fucker go if I'm down lots of money, right? It is what it is. We're all sitting in that category. Like almost all of us are sitting on at least one or two plays that we got fucked over on the meme run there. The Reddit push shit in January, February, March. It didn't just hit. If you're thinking it just hit you, it didn't. It fucking nailed all of us. Okay. I didn't know how to read these systems like this. It's all new. Oh Okay. The last one is very. I would recommend yeah. The last video for an actual pod, I think it's 2 minutes long or 3 minutes long. It's worth watching. It shows you how to pick those stocks. Just the gist of it. I'm gonna get it more into it on other videos, but you should know that. You might be an awesome trader, but this is free information, and a lot of people don't know that. Okay, I've fucking spent hundreds of hours to know that, and you're like, fuck, you spent hundreds of hours just to learn that? Yeah, because it's statistics and fucking, yeah, it's so simple. If you just knew those basic things, fucking, you'd have a fucking, subconsciously you can make some good plays, right? And I was just bugging you. I was just thinking about what games you play, because I'm getting into gaming to get rid of my some stress and stuff. Ooh, gee. Rule number 1, never fucking get vengeance and fucking double down on someone. Who's joking. You know that. So I've done that before. I did it with fucking, I was doing bad on a stock, on that lithium stock. You know, fuck, another $5,000 in there. Fuck this, right? Yeah, that doesn't work. That's having emotion. And I know T knows that. Citizen knows that. I know, he's just stating a fact. Okay. Somebody's having foreplay with my fucking phone here. Oh, that's it. Oh shit, it's that job interview. Fuck, I gotta write this down. This is in the oil patch up in the fucking top of Canada. And and the pay is like fucking insane. It's like $1,000 a day, man. It can't work though. And yes, I'll still do the channel. Cam, all mail you my PS4. I don't want your PS4. I got one right there. I don't want your PS4. I got PS4 controllers I use on my computer as Xbox controllers. I don't want your PS4, buddy. Go give it to some kid. This, if you're selling it, seriously, if you're really, or are you just joking? If you're really gonna go find some kid that has nothing, bro. Do a solid. I call that a solid move. Okay? You'll feel so fucking good about yourself, man. Do it, and see what, and really feel, like really do the search, and just don't give it to one person just because you're fucking lazy and you want to get rid of it. No, take the time and go check out and find somebody that has nothing, literally nothing, even if you don't know the person, right? And see what it does for your psyche and your morale in the next 2 months. Trust me, you're gonna tap. You won't fully tap into it, but you'll just touch it. Okay? Positive attraction. You'll know what I'm talking about. You're gonna be, what the fuck? It'll probably scare the shit out of you. Okay? Trust me. It's called sending positive vibes out into the universe. I know 100% about this shit. But I just want, you're young. I just want you to just touch it for a second. I know a lot of people are like, he's fucking on glue. But if you've never experienced it, then you'll never know. You have to do something good for somebody to do it, and actually mean it, though. So just give me a second, my friends. I don't know if I'm going to be doing this job or not. They found me. And I told them I would take the time to talk to them on a live, what is this called? It's a link on Indeed. Oh, it's Northern American Construction Oil Patch Company. So they need a welder. So camp's really, you gotta be really tough skin, and you gotta be tough motherfucker to work in these camps up in Canada, up in the middle of nowhere. There's no police and stuff like in the bars up there, man. There's police for like 500, 400 miles, man. And you're by yourself in the middle of nowhere with just all a bunch of guys. I don't go to the bar that much, but yeah, shit can go sideways in a hurry. Fucking in a hurry. And yes, I've had shit go sideways before in a hurry. In a hurry. Yeah, only the if you think you're tough, don't go there. okay? If you know you're tough, go there. Because only the tough could live there. And I'm not talking muscle. I'm talking the brain. Being strong, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking tough mentally. I already know what I'm talking about touching. Dude, I wouldn't have all this shit if I didn't know about this stuff, dude. Like, serious, man. Everything I touch turns into it. When they say touch turns into gold, there's a reason why that saying is like that. It's to do with this. It's if you a lot of people will touch it and it will scare the fuck out of them that they don't know what to do with that information. But I'm gonna show you're gonna be a multimillionaire in 5 to 10 years, my friend. Trust me. We will, boss. 79. We will. You're gonna have your day after Christmas. I would love it to be before Christmas. I would love it. I'm trying to be not negative. Okay. When I say that, guys, you know me. I'm not trying to be negative. Okay. It's just the way I am, right? You guys know me. But I want it to go before my birthday, like the 15th, right? Sorry, guys. I'm just writing down these link. It's 1 to 1:30. Mountain time. The fuck would that be? That's an hour difference. Kat, are you on here? What are you classed as for your time zone in Canada? There you go, Jay. There you go. That's awesome. Do you know who's really good? And that's the reason why I respect the lady, that she gets everything in this world. Anything that I can do, I do it to the best I can. Everything I do. Even when I talk to her. And that's why I get my supper brought to me. And do you want a massage? Do you want your drink? Do you want... when I'm drinking, she brings me drinks in. I get treated like that is because I deserve it. Is because I treat her 10 times that. My wife, okay. She is a fucking awesome woman. She has donated money to the Cancer Society and put new chairs in the fucking lodge, the whole place, the whole hospital lodge, man, in Vancouver. Because when she had cancer sitting there, the chairs were too hard, and she remembered that. Little things like that. I learned a lot of this off my wife, Eastern Standard Time, 3 hours ahead? Okay, thank you. So it's Eastern, then Mountain next. Okay, I just want to make sure. Thank you, Wolf. I was hoping that would be before Christmas, because that would be... Oh, I hope, Jay, I hope so, man. I hope I'm wrong. I fucking love being wrong in places like that. It's just that in areas like that, I hope I'm wrong. And I want you guys to fucking laugh at me and go, you were fucking wrong. And I'll be like, I know, as I'm counting. But, yeah, reality is, yeah. Okay, Gloria, I'm deciding if I want to sell my SUV or my mom to buy more shares. Gloria. Can she cook and clean? Can she cook and clean? Oh, man. You guys are hilarious. Fuck, I love you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Yeah, you guys are awesome. Oh, yeah, my wife? Or what you were talking about? Oh, for sure, man. Hands down, man. Oh, fuck. I'm not stupid. I wasn't born yesterday. She's also 10 years older than me. And it's not just that. We have... yeah. We have respect for each other in more ways than one. It takes two, though. It takes two as a team. You got to figure that out. It took me almost my whole life to figure that out. I just never wasn't compatible with girls. Like my age group I'm talking about. Yeah, or the younger. I'm always older girls. I'm old school guy, right? It must be. Okay, proud. Thank you. Just the ladies of my age, like 45, like I mean, born in 76 was when I was born, right? I'm just not compatible with. Not that I'm saying I'm smarter. It's just that it just doesn't work out. My time area was a fucked up generation, the 70s, as you guys know, that survived the 70s, right? I was a kid, but a lot of things shifted in that time era, right? But I'm more of a 60s kind of a kid, but born in the 70s because of my parents were just because of who they were, right? So I was stuck in that, and that time era that they were in was actually a code of survival back then. As you know, I was raised by bikers, right? And it is what it is, right? That's the code you go by. It didn't change until like 20 years ago. It stayed like that for like 50 years, right? But yeah, it is what it is, right? So that's how it is. That's why your word's your word. You guys know what I mean. But yeah. Anyways, I didn't tell my story about my tattoo. I'm getting that wolf pack tattoo right on my shoulder blade. Hell yeah, 70s. Yeah. Oh, Sanjay's okay, thank you. Somebody else sent me. She can say, are you talking about your daughter or something? I don't know what's going on. Is it turning into a dating service on here again? I don't care what you guys do. I don't care what you guys do. Just don't hurt each other on there. And we're in Mexico, you guys. You stay away from my daughter. That's the only thing I ask. She's drop dead gorgeous. She's beautiful. Okay, that's a no zone. No zone. The reason why I say that is because I don't want to have to answer to my wife if somebody hurts her feelings. Because I told you I don't fuck with my wife, man. You should see all her trophies for fucking kickboxing. She would kick the shit out of me, man. I'm assuming. And I've never had a fisticuff with her before. Not yet. I'm just joking. Okay, this is like it's weird. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna go check this. Well, shit. I was hoping we could get a beer sometime, but okay. Sorry, hold on. So yeah, guys, what time do you guys want to come on and do our thing? Actually, we're not going to do it tonight. I can't tonight. Something just came up on my phone. I've totally forgot about my friends. Yeah, I'm going to Mexico before the squeeze. I'm probably going to go to Mexico in a month, in a couple weeks, or right after Christmas. Not right after Christmas, but 3 weeks after Christmas, because the price is actually half price then compared to Christmas. If that variant's there, I have a way of to get down there without getting it. I have a system. I know everybody says they have the system, but I have to, because if my wife gets it, she'll die, right? Because her immune system's already fucked from cancer. So I got these respirators and stuff like that I have from work that is the real shit. The fucking military uses it. I use it for welding. So yeah, she wants to go, so I'm taking her. But I know a couple of you are probably going to join me down there. But the next time for sure will be the fucking powwow, man. Fuck yeah. We haven't had our honeymoon yet. Isn't that funny? Too busy. Life's too busy. We wouldn't care about shit like that. But we were talking about it about a couple months ago, and we were like, "Fuck, we never even did. We forgot about it." So we actually are gonna do it. I told her I'll take her. That's how busy life is, eh? But it means a lot to me. But that's when you know you found your best friend, partner, best friend, because that shit don't mean nothing. Just being with each other's like every day, right? It's weird how things change in life. Wayne, good morning, Wayne. Well, there's a bunch of us doing a trip across Canada, from east coast to west coast, meet up in the center maybe. I'm doing it next year. I'm doing one across Canada, okay? I'll have my diesel truck, but then I might even buy a diesel truck in a couple weeks, right? I might go put myself 100,000, well, not in debt, but I'm just trying to think. Yeah, depends. I'm gonna go buy myself some shit, man. I'm hitting the midlife crisis here. No, I'm actually gonna go to West Edmonton Mall, if you guys know what that is. If not, Google it. They have like fucking, it's crazy, man. They have everything there. The water slides inside the mall. It's huge. You guys have that's some of that stuff like in the States, Santa Monica Boulevard, like that kind of stuff. The down in Florida, like that. But we have this up in the fucking mountains in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of cool. Niagara Falls. Do you guys know what that is in the States? I'm pretty sure you do. Same as Whistler. That's just down the road from me. Well, and a couple hours from me. But so we're gonna do a trip across Canada. It's about 5,000 miles. 5,000 miles one way, 5,000 the other way. But I'm gonna do mobile stock trading. I'm gonna be stopping and visiting all you guys across Canada, the ones that live up here, and I'm gonna be doing live stocks. I'm gonna be doing this. I'll be bringing my trader station with me. Yeah, Nave Gamer, it'll if it gets too crazy, we're not gonna go. I'm not gonna put her at risk, but and I know you can't just call the resort and say, "Hey, man," they're gonna say yes because they don't want to fearmonger, and because it's all about money down there. Money is respect in Mexico, right? Depends on it doesn't matter what you look like, what language, what color of bill you have in your hand is what loyalty and respect you get. I've been in Niagara Falls numerous times. Love it. Yeah, I've never been I've been on the computer on virtual reality and seen it on TV shows and stuff like that. I watched a lot of documentaries on it. I can't wait. I'm gonna go to Drumheller, to the Dinosaur Museum. There's a whole bunch of things. My wife is Newfie, Nova Scotia, right above Maine, in Canada. Yeah, man. That's why they make the best wives, man. They're so good at cooking. If you know what a Newfoundlander woman is, then you guys, you're probably like, you bastard. They're really good. Really good people. How old is your daughter, and does she have Just kidding, bro. No. How old is she? She's 33 years old. 33 years old. And she's the tattoo artist. Does she have... You're an ass. I would never... Too much respect. No, it's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good. Laughing at it, deserve it. I deserve it, bro. Oh, dude, I know you're just joking. That stuff doesn't bother me, man. That stuff doesn't bother me, man. It's the actions that bother me. No, I'm just joking. It's just, I don't care. Guys are guys. You have to remember, I'm old school, right? And who I was raised by, I can be the brutal and the meanest and the funniest. I can be the meanest of the meanest, or the funniest of the funniest, or the neutral of the neutralist. I have the ability to a chameleon to any situation, if you know what that means, right? A very dangerous person in disguise. a dangerous person to have fun with. I'm not talking about anger or fear or anything like that. That was not what I was trying. I'm dangerous. I'm talking like just to partying mode, just to having fun, camping. That's what I have to clarify that because that can be taken different ways. But yeah, I can't wait, man, to go across Canada. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna make a documentary, actually. I'm gonna make it, and you guys will probably see it on Amazon Prime and Netflix, because I'm gonna sell the rights to it. It's gonna be a stock trader. It's gonna be a stock traders show. It'll be, because it takes about a week and a bit to drive across Canada, right, one way. So I can shoot a whole bunch of episodes, and it'll be from different towns. Yeah. Hey, I wonder if you can. Oh, I think you can, because I posted my link on the top. Go up, Sanjay, go up there and fucking click on the 3 dots and see how much you can punish me. And no, this isn't like a fucking fantasy here. No, I'm just curious if you can actually overpower. I don't know if you can. I can overpower you, I'm pretty sure. I'm just curious. I'm just fucking around with you guys. So, guys, so what we're going to do is, what is a good time? Let's do a poll here. There's a handful of us on here. There's still a handful of 20 of us on here. Perfect amount of group. Perfect amount of group. Because there's nothing happening in the market at all. I don't even want to look at this. This is what I'm talking about, psychological mind fuck. That's why I don't watch stock charts at a certain time. When they're like this, that will do damage to your fucking brain. You don't think it is? It makes you do fucked up decisions, and it can affect you it can be stress disorders. You don't need to look at that shit, okay? Because you know what? Tomorrow's going to be another day, and it will be not as bad as that. That's bad. Fuck is that bad? But it is what it is. I already prepared myself for this. That's why a couple of you said yesterday, well, you're all fucking not giving me shit, but why can't we talk about something positive? You just told us it's going to be this low. Now you know why I talk about that stuff, because I'm prepared for it. And now I can start making plans to how to make it go the other way, or adapt to it and have plans for the other. I've already accepted it. I'm over it. That's done, right? I'm on to something else. That's called a calculated mind. I can block you. You can? Can you? Oh, fuck, that's dope. There are so many people I want to meet from the pack one day. Well, you walking around with that fucking wrench in your hand is kind of obvious, Sanjay. Oh yeah, Well, I'm gonna make a documentary. Like I said before, I was gonna do it, but I think we can do it. We can do a sitcom. We can do a fucking cool show, man. There's nothing really like that. With like all my videos are archived, right? They're all saved. It's all verbatim shit, man. Real fucking real stuff. Some of these people would die for this stuff. Some of these producers, man, right? Just brainwash her, Gloria, when she's sleeping. Buy more AMC shares. I don't even know if that works. I'm just being stupid. Subliminal messaging. I'm pretty sure it does, but I don't need a wrench. I'm just joking. It's just so obvious with that wrench. It's like right away. It's like, what the fuck? But I was warned about that from YouTube. It was a little bit of a procedure putting you guys on there. Okay. Anyways, guys. Okay, everybody. Michelle. I'm inviting you because you're newer to the channel and Native Gamer. And just because Native Gamer's been on the channel for a while. But Michelle, I would really be honored if you'd join us tomorrow for we once in a blue moon. Well, we used to do it quite a bit. I usually party more and drink more in the summertime, we usually have nights where we just drink. The video title will be having some drinks with the Wolf Pack, right? Because this is an adult only channel. It always has been. So what we do is come in here and have some drinks and just talk about stuff, whatever, and just talk a little bit about stock stuff, a little bit, but more, who knows where the conversation goes. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. One day we had 1,000. Why did somebody knock on my door? One day we had 1,000 people stop by in 4 hours. One day, me and Cap and a bunch of us did a 6-hour video and drank. I fucking don't even know how much I drank. I'm an easy drunk, anyways. Not drunk, but I had good buzz. I don't get shit faced. But anyways, what happened was we got not a copy strike, but worse, they didn't copy strike me because I wasn't moderated, right, at that time. But what they did was they fucking took the whole video off. The whole video was gone. They fucking just took it right off the channel. It was gone. Just gone. The whole content and everything. They didn't even ask me if I could want it back. Because we were on Twitter, screwing around on Twitter. And I think I told you guys this before. Kat was on there too. And Sanjay was on there. Citizen was on there. That's when we all met around the time we met. And Rogan, UFC, fucking came on there. His voice copy striked it right away. They fucking freaked out and pulled the thing down because it was a commercial that came up on YouTube. My wrench is bigger than yours. Not a problem. We have these things, and if I forget to invite you, this is for all new people. It's open. That it's the same as on now. It's not like a VIP thing or anything like that on like Google or anything like that. But yeah, that's. I just wanted to just get you used to our the way we roll on this channel. Right. We should do more of this stuff. This is what the channel was made about. Is this stuff? Laughing. You guys, come on. There's ladies on here, and all the ladies are laughing. Who's the rich? Well, Sanjay, look what he's packing beside his name. It was so funny. Oh yeah, Kat. Yeah, she's referring to that night. We did a bunch of them. They're actually on video. You can go back into my videos and look at them. But that one, fuck, I wish I saved it. I did have it saved on my computer though, but then I had that fucking my computer got somebody tried hacking them. I can remember a while ago. I fucked my computer up before I had a VPN, and I had to wipe my computer, and that went with it. Okay, guys, what time do you want to go on? I've asked you guys so many times. What time's good for you guys, the majority of you? Do you want to do Saturday night? Oh, my neck's... You want to do 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time? Is that all right? Because you have to remember some people in the East, that would be 8 o'clock. And we'll be on there. What I'm going to do is, if I'm not on that long... If I'm only in like an hour, I know some of you guys like staying on there for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Shut the bar down. You know what I mean? Oh, shit. JP has his channel on tomorrow. The fucking bar thing. What we are going to do is we, as a channel, are going to go into his channel and surprise him. He has an open bar on his group. It's called JP's Bar. Fuck, it's cool. I've been on it before. It's on Saturday nights. So what we'll do is we'll get a good glow on, and then we'll go crash his party. Okay? It'll be fun. No, Lloyd, it's right on the channel. Just log on like you are now. Just give everybody a chance to come do this, man. Yeah, Gloria, 8 your time. Is that okay? I don't want to go any earlier. And then you guys, so do you know what? I'm going to do it a little bit different. When I'm ready to shut down, I'm going to leave the computer running. Okay? Camera. I'll just turn the camera off. and you guys can go to town on the chat bar. You can stay. I'll let the computer run all night. Okay. So I'll shut the mic off. I'll turn so you can't hear me and my wife. No, I'm just joking. Oh, fuck, you probably could hear without the mic. So, yeah, you guys can shut the bar down, okay? On the channel, we're going to switch it up a bit here. Just Sanjay and Christopher are the moderators, so this is the stuff you get when you're a moderator, right? You can moderate the channel. Just don't get my channel taken down, man. Just behave yourselves. Oh, a test, is it? Well, best thing for a hangover is come on. It's going to be fun, man. I'm all stoked now. I'm all stoked. I'm going to have to go get me. Oh, I know what I'm going to get. Those 6% 6 packs. Yeah, 5 o'clock. Yeah. It's a little bit better. We used to go on at 7, 8 o'clock at night, and then it's some people that's like 9, 10 at night. And what was happening is everybody was too indulging, and it is what it is. Glorious, that's cute. Aw, I'm just joking around, guys. You know me. We're adults. We're adults. But I wish. Oh, and then tomorrow, what we can do is with Google Meet. I'll send a link out there. Who wants to come on live with me on the channel? Who wants to come on live and and talk to me, like do a collab? We'll do a test run. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Who cares? It's a fun night anyways. What time is that for Sanjay? Cares? I'm just joking. Yeah, no kidding, eh? We could start another channel. We actually could. I have a couple. Oh fuck, we could too. And fuck yeah, I don't know. Sanjay's busy though. It's a lot, guys. I know a lot of people just don't know the concept. I never did with YouTube. I thought it was fucking easy. I'll just go get this stuff. Just trying to get the software to sync is a bitch every day. An upgrade and look at and. But I'm not the smartest on the computer. Well, some people say I am, but. $1 a.m.? What the fuck are you talking about? 1 a.m.? No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it would. What? 1 a.m.? Sanjay. Oh, thank you. Number 1. Sanjay's number 1. He's telling you that right now. With his wrench in one hand and his finger. He's number 1. That's how he communicates, right? I can't believe that they actually have that on YouTube. I'm sure them. But yeah. Yeah. So yeah, good. We got that plan then. I'm going to write that down right now, 5 o'clock. I might be a couple minutes early on that. If it fucks up or something with the power, because we are in emergency state of evacuation still, I think for another couple more days. I will with the router, I will just use the data off my phone, and if that's the case, we won't be staying on all night, but we'll still do a half an hour or so. Don't worry, we'll make it work tomorrow night. So 5 p.m. chat on YouTube. Okay, cool. Stock charts. Job interview. Yes, job. Cool, right on. Tess, you want to go live with me, bro? Done. I was waiting for somebody. Not a problem, brother. Not a problem. And you don't need to stay on the whole time if you want. I just want to test out some software. And if it doesn't work, whatever, we'll just continue the way it is. We have nothing to lose. I'll try to make it work. But I got... what are you using for a device, Tess? Just so I know. Because I kind of need to know on this end, just to make sure it's compatible. What you're just going to be doing is Google Meet. But I need to... I just want to... I'm just curious. I just want to know... when it works, what I can use. It really doesn't matter because it converts it. We're not using OBS or YouTube. We're just copying it over, kind of like copy paste it with an open link. So what we're going to use is Google Meet Test, and I'm going to that is YouTube Live, right? Yep, that's right. T, yep, Citizen, yep, that's right. And Google Meet will be for the people that are going to be coming on with me. So on Google Meet, what I'm going to do is on one of the screens here, I'm going to have you broadcasting live. What I'm going to do is take it and I'm going to open up another camera or open up another a screenshot. I can do a direct link to my other monitor and pull you in and put you into the screen here. And yeah, it'll work perfect. I'll just put you right over top. I'll pull Wall Street Breakers out. I'll put you right above me. I'll shrink that other one down. Yeah, we'll do that so we can look at the chart on it in case we want to talk about some stuff. Just pay your power. You caught me with my power build, my friend. My lights click on, man. My sundial lights click on at that time. You know, I have to shut everything down. This is going to be fun, man. I'm stoked, dude. This is going to be a friggin' blast. So once we get this working like clockwork, when we're in the squeeze, I will, and this was Sanjay's idea. Okay, not with the Google Meet, but with the collabing with the subs, trying to actually building a stronger relationship with all of our friendships and stuff, right? So who wants to go second? And notice I'm not picking just members only because you have a wolf beside. It's not that. Okay, guys. Who wants to go second? If that, we're gonna do a couple people tomorrow night. If I'm on, we'll do a half an hour each person. Okay, and I'll stay on at least an hour. Anything else after that, and then, but through the week during normal trading hours, we will twice a week be pulling people out of the subs, out of our membership. If they want to come on there, you can come on for half an hour, and we'll do 2 different people in a week. Okay, we're going to start doing this. This is Sanjay's. I want to get more involved with you guys, okay? Sanjay? You want to put Sanjay on there? You guys are forcing Sanjay? Or 2 cans and a string. That would work, dude. Those work really good. Okay. The phone desk. Okay, well, whatever works out for you, Tess. I was just wondering. Just make sure that if you got the laptop, you got headphones in. That's all, or else you're going to be pulling me and doing an echo reverb on us. I'm just trying to think how that's going to come through. I'm going to have headphones on then. Yeah, I'm going to have headphones on too. Because by you... Yeah, because I won't be able to hear you. Yeah, we're going to have to set this up. What do you need to do? Okay. What I need you to do is, do you have that list that I sent you with the links for the squeeze? That very first link on there, I need you to go to Google Meet and put that in there. Have you ever done a Google Meet run with us, Tess? If not, do you know what Google Meet is? I'll be pissed. You guys, whatever you want to do. You guys, we'll figure it out. We can even figure it out and say it only takes 5 minutes. You guys just log on, goes bleep, and then I put you over there. It's friggin' easy, man. We got this. It takes a while to set all this up, but we're at the fucking finished product now, and it's turned out really good, man. What do you guys think about this? What do you think about this what we're going to be doing? Just because of Christmas and all that kind of stuff, right? Um, do you guys think this is a good idea, or do you think it's too invasive for the channel? I'm just... Yeah. Yeah, that's... And if you don't have headphones, go buy a set. You can even use the Bluetooth ones. It's better to have them hardwired, though, just because it just, it's the same as anything. Or gaming headphones on, just something like that where you're not using that mic, because it will cause problems. And in the future with the squeeze, you should already have this stuff figuring this out. That's why we do these runs with this. Okay. Yeah, not a problem. You just emailed me. I'm going to send you a link. Test. We can do a test run on it if you want for like 10 seconds. And that's all you do. Tess, where do you live? No, I don't need your address, but which you live in the States. I know that, but which area? Just so I know about what time frame. So what we'll do is Tess is on first. Tomorrow, we'll figure out who's on next and who's on second, who's on third. Okay? You guys, if you guys are older, you know what I'm talking about with them. No, I have it. Sounds like fun to me. That's going to be a blast, dude. It's going to be a fucking blast. No, you have it? Okay, then it's all good. If you, that on that list I sent you guys, that first link, it says on there, whenever we're saying let's do a meeting, that's always the first code. Emergency meeting, or like a tailgate meeting or something like that before it goes. That is always the code I use. So if I ever say, guys, I need you guys to jump on the VIP channel right away. Oh, fuck, what link do we use? You sent me 9. It's always the first link. Okay, that's the main link for everything. Okay, guys? Okay, hey, Cam, I just came back from McDonald's and I got a big breakfast and a large orange juice. Oh, dude, that's what I usually have. Leon the Lion. We're going to be doing MB Ghost. If you guys can be there tomorrow at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, which would be my time, West Coast, we're going to be doing a YouTube party night. Okay, and if you don't drink pop. If you don't want to drink, if you're smoking, smoke some doobies. I don't care. Just you can't smoke it live. I forgot to tell you. Drinking is okay. Fuck, you probably could in Canada. But yeah, I just that's a little bit of a gray area still. I don't know how that would go with YouTube, but drinking is fine. It is what it is, right? No, who's on first? Yeah. Wait. Second is on first. Yes, you got it. You guys knew it. You picked up on that. That's fucking good. That's good. That's some good stuff. Oh, the kids are up. The dogs are up. Okay, guys, I gotta wrap this. Okay, we got her. Does anybody, everybody on here, if you don't have, you just meet me here at 5 o'clock. Okay, and yeah. Oh, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, Tess, thanks. It's 1:30 there now. Okay, so just you sent me an email. You're gonna have to give me a bit because I'm gonna go have breakfast and stuff. I can't the mic's right here, bud. I can switch it to the other one too. That one, I don't like it. I don't like the one on the camera. I usually use the mic up here for it. But what I had problems with before is I have to have headphones because this mic can be used as a speaker. It's a fucked up system. It's because I got too much stuff for streaming, for games, game platform. You can talk when you're in when you're in fighting and stuff on there, and I use that. But then you have to have a push button. Oh, there's so much software and drivers, but it's all good. Anyways, be safe. Yeah, thanks, brother. Yeah, for sure, Glory. Everybody, you have an awesome night, and I'm very grateful. This is awesome. I had really a fun time today. Even though, look at the market. See, you don't need to watch that stuff. Hanging out with some good friends makes a big difference in the world. Okay, peace. Love ya. See you tomorrow.